color. Beep, 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 beep. Just kidding. Okay, so we're just going to do this. It's different colors, but it's fine. Alexa, skip. We're gonna go on the next one. So now we're gonna go and do this one. Alexa, play Kane Brown. Alexa, play Kane Brown.
Here's some music by Kane Brown on Amazon Music.
Cheated and I've lied. I broke down and I've cried. I've got nothing to hide no more. I've loved and I've hurt. Broken people down with words. More grace than I deserve for sure. Known to be crazy, known to be wild. Mama had herself a little devilish child. No stranger to the troubles.
Wrong door. The wrong place at the wrong time. Most of my life. But I got one thing right. Mama don't like all the wrong nights. Okay.
Oh, I don't know if we want to do this. Do we want to do this? Hello.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my God. What she?
Thank you for doing that. Cause what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
She turned
Oops,
comments
sorry.
on.
Bye-bye.
Oh, honey. She is big mad.
Say bye-bye.
No, she's.
Shout out Kaylee.
No. She's big mad. She's
Keep coming.
big mad. Oh, she licked her fucking finger again. I know, we want the cat crash out. Hey, Melissa. I'll be right back, folks.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I forgot my drink. I'll be right back.
Wait a second. I think this one goes like this. No.
This is live. I don't have my live
That
thing.
wouldn't make any sense. No. This has to...
So, comments off.
Okay, wait.
She went live
Wait.
just to piss people off. She's got nobody and nothing. She is a kid. Yeah. She's not even a likable kid. She's a fat ass, annoying kid. I think because court's coming up, she's stressed, but she doesn't want anybody to know she's stressed. Every motion she's filed, this is pure rage bait. Pure rage bait.
think I'm missing one more
Yeah.
piece here.
The comments off are the biggest clue that she's stressed. You just miss Gabby being obnoxious. That is all. You want to take the bait.
Problem is,
You want to serve it back.
problem is,
Oh, unicorn spicy today. I was having some techno. I was going to go live.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
actually was hitting live to play the transcript,
let me see if this can go.
the last transcript,
That's
and then
how does this one fucking expect you? Okay, hold on. Hold on.
I have a feeling she doesn't know how to turn the comments off in YouTube. That's why she's here.
I think I messed up. Hold on.
Hello, Cookie.
Apparently, I didn't graduate Legoland when I was there.
Linda.
Okay. Ha ha ha. Funny. Okay. But real note though.
Is that a Linda that we know?
See, it doesn't. Okay, so
ripped your
that's fine.
dust.
That goes like that, which is what it tells me to do. Okay, that's what I did. And then this goes on top. That's what I did. Okay. And then this goes on the edge.
Oh,
This goes on
that's
the
true.
edge.
She's
What
not
the
going to have
fuck is this,
comments.
bro?
She wants to play music to act a fool.
And then this goes in the
She,
middle.
I think
What
she
is
blocked
this? What did I do
Kaylee.
wrong?
She must have maybe tried to come in on one of her TikTok accounts.
That's what I did. I don't understand. This is
Oh,
exactly what I did.
shit.
So,
The music.
what the heck?
You're right. You're absolutely right. No, I don't watch Lori. I can't do the music. Maybe that's why she's. Actually, those aren't. They're. I think you can give somebody 3 coins just from tapping. Kaylee gifted her some corn. I missed the. I missed the gifting. I didn't see that. I actually one of my first videos. How long have I been monetized? Maybe about 3.5 weeks. One of my first videos, the commercials, it's not a copyright violation, but it removes your monetization, which is fine. Evening. Good evening, Gimato.
I don't know. And then just snaps it.
Well, we don't want to just watch her mouth. She went live, got a Taco Bell delivery, and said, I gotta go. I gotta make a video. Did she put it up? I don't know. I don't know if she. Okay, if it just removes the monetization for the video, I can handle that. She is live on TikTok.
And then we're gonna take this Lego piece.
Hey, Rose.
And we're gonna
Court is Wednesday.
put this on top.
I saw on
There.
Zenny's
Okay.
on Zenny's
Now
case,
we're
there
on
was
to-
a motion filed today. I presume it's Gabby, but I don't know.
Attach this. Okay. And then the whatever it's called. The Elmerd. I don't know what the fuck it is called. Even if I tried, this moment, look on me. I wanna be.
The cell provider that was breached has my social from the credit check.
So good, so beautiful. Even if I tried, feel high on moments. Yes. I don't know how heaven could be better than this. Angel, into this world. And forever.
She is freaking out on the inside. We can, like, we just have to.
Where the hell is it? Why am I missing fucking pieces, bro?
She is on TikTok.
Okay, I don't fucking know. I'm just gonna use this. Same thing. It's like one white, one red, but I don't see a white one. So, okay, now this is the car one. Okay, so now we have to do a car. So we're gonna place it here. And then we're gonna take this and put it on the middle. And then we're trying to build the car here. So
No, if the comments off is just a buzzkill.
dude. Bury me in Georgia. Come on, dude. Line. Sign unknown.
I'm gonna try something here.
Dude, I'm like missing pieces. Like, what the hell, bro?
Oh, my 50 things worked.
Let's see, it says 2.
A ginseng tree on her. That is cute. That is a
Dude.
I love it, ginseng tree. It worked.
Did he like mess with this already? I swear. You're frustrated.
Thank you. See if you can use you got a gifted membership, unicorns. See if you can use my cat emojis.
My son.
I just added emoji
Out of here.
from Casino Girls video today.
He wants
Oh
me
my
to build
god.
this, but at the same time, it's like frustrating. At the same time, wonders why I can't build stuff.
I don't know what the I mean,
Luckily, I
obviously
found
Legos, but oh, you're welcome.
But here's the problem. Okay, here's this piece and here's this piece. Okay, and now
I don't know. I wish I knew what the status of your YouTube was, but I don't. So I don't. I have a feeling she wanted the music. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Butterfly.
this has to go.
Nanny. It's a Sonic Lego. Interesting. Thank you, Kim. I have not seen her finish one personally. She just wants to be.
Why did that not tell me to fucking do it like this?
Of course, it's the instructions' fault. I think you did. Let me see if it tells me. There's Casino. There's Casino Girl. I love Casino. Yes, I think you did, Crazy. Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. This is going to be going for...
I suck. I do.
The trash, too.
I try and I suck.
Her 61 is showing.
Unless he's like...
That's
unless he
okay.
cuts
Wing
big
it.
pieces
Wing
out,
it.
which very much...
Thanks,
He's gonna
Kiki.
get it.
You're welcome.
Dude. What did he do?
I don't think... I think it's her choice whether to have comments on. I don't...
Is this real life? Sorry guys, you're gonna have to give me a sec because I don't know what I'm doing.
Wait, they have the same birthday and same 4th grade education? Thank you. Thank you, Dry Milk.
Dude. Want you.
Oh, thank you, Trish. That's nice of you. Thank you.
Why does he touch stuff?
Thank you.
And he wonders why I can't build this.
I love
He
that
wonders why.
clapping seal. Oh my god. What? Oh my lord. Thank you, old mother trucker. Welcome.
Okay. Oh my god, this is giving me anxiety right now. Fuck,
Oh,
man.
you think? Okay. Lori's
so
just
fucking annoying.
she's a notch higher.
Why does he have to touch it? Son,
Oh, blaming him. Yeah, of
I
course.
love you, but come on, dude. You're making mama struggle.
She needed. Oh, thank you, Kiki.
Okay.
That's so nice of you.
I'm pretty sure
Appreciate
there's
it.
pieces.
Hey, Goldie.
I gotta work on a different car because this one's not. I gotta find pieces, and I'm pretty sure I can find pieces,
No,
but it's gonna
they're
take me a
not
while.
cheap.
So until then, this is totally going.
Thank you, Daisy Blue. That's true. I didn't even think about her being loud with the music and all the Legos. Now what she can... I bet she's going to the garage.
You better listen. Seriously.
Hello, this is Jay.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh yeah, if they bought it
This is giving me
there.
anxiety.
Look at her. She's
Here we go. Whoopsies. Okay. Are you ready? Let's try this.
She is on TikTok.
How
How dumb.
Okay, I need this.
Specific cereal bowls. I love it. That's your method.
Never thought I'd find the angel undercover.
I don't think she has completed a set yet. Not to my knowledge. She's got a smirk on her face. She knows what she's doing. That's Caitlin. That's your very specific wish. Not sure. Not sure if she's got a strike on YouTube or if she knows how to. She comments off from the very beginning. Maybe that's the reason. I think somebody said it's still up, but I don't know. Yeah, she is on TikTok. Duplos are the big ones, right? The stickers aren't working.
Wait a second. What? So that goes underneath then? Like this? Must be. Sure. We'll go with it.
Yeah, she's
Next
definitely stressed.
This one goes
Comments off is the sure sign of
2,
that.
4, 2, 4. Okay, but here's the problem. There's no way that is gonna, no. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8. What?
Good evening. Boom, boom, Malaya. She has 179 in there. Exactly.
How does that work
Goldie.
though? When there's a gap. I don't fucking know. Whatever. It's confusing.
No, they can't be. They can't be.
Dude, why are you struggling? No, it's on this side.
I really haven't seen her do anything well
There.
at all.
Okay.
Does anybody
and
think
then
of
this
anything?
goes. No, this goes. Oh, stop it. This thing is so stupid. Okay, there. That goes like that.
Oh, I think she's very nervous. I think she's extremely
Goes like
nervous.
that.
This is all a show to try to make people think she's not nervous.
And now, this goes. What? I'm done. Goes like this? How the fuck does that fit in there? It's not supposed to go in there. Okay, I'm done. Screw this. Screw this.
She's done.
It's
She
ridiculous.
is done.
This doesn't make any fucking sense. I'm getting fucking irritated. It doesn't even tell me where to put this, dude. It doesn't.
Yeah, the seizure. That's the. I think that's the only way she's a no-show is if she's in the ER or hospital.
Come on. You should.
Oh well,
fit.
you got it, horse girl. You do
It's
you.
ridiculous.
Yep.
Come on.
You
dude.
came through on that
Go
one. You're
in.
right.
Why are you struggling? Dude. Oh my god. Fuck, dude. This should not be this hard. This should not be this difficult.
She couldn't put the. Remember, she couldn't put the sweeper together. Yeah.
No, it doesn't go
Boring.
like that.
Yeah, she is good at rage baiting.
I'm telling you, this needs to go off here. No.
Cats are doing good today.
No, because how is that? No, that's wrong. No, this is wrong, Gabby. No, let's flip it. Flip it? No. No, that's definitely wrong. No, it definitely goes this way. But the thing is that this is connecting to this. So that wouldn't make any sense.
Well, Southern Gigi, that is a good
Flip
point.
it.
And oh my God, the rake. Yes,
I'm done.
the rake. Forgot about
No.
the rake.
Huh? Okay, let's go back from the beginning. Okay.
She
Okay,
hates this too.
something
She hates no
must be-
engagement, so she's miserable.
That goes here. That goes here. There. Is that what I did wrong? Maybe. Maybe. I think I figured it out.
Everybody
So
remembers
now
the
what we're gonna
castle.
do is we're gonna put this here, and then this here. Okay. And then we're going to put this
Hi,
here.
Nana Deb.
Okay. Sure. And then 2, 4, whatever,
That's a good. I wonder if she can do the
And then
Pledge of
this.
Allegiance.
goes here. This goes here. Okay.
There's a couple of people that said Duplo seems her speed.
Body, baby, it's divine. Every time I see you smile, it's like I
Can I do it? Can I do it?
next to you is heaven. But you already know
No, because this has to
She
go.
has 174 people in her room.
so bad. Don't get me wrong. I'm a God,
Yep, we still hate her.
but if you were a religion, then I don't know what I'd do.
Hey, Candish.
Yeah, I might have to worship.
Frontal lobe.
I might have to sing your praise. I might have to go to church, yeah, every single night and day. Yeah, I might have to hit my knees.
Thank you, Don't Tell Me. Appreciate it.
Like the truth. You love me like hallelujah. I might have to worship you.
Yeah, I think
I'm done.
people are getting a little
I'm gonna break
suspicious
this.
that this is
I'm gonna throw these
this is a
pieces.
show. This is an ADA show. This is a fake ADA show.
This is ridiculous.
That you can turn it into one. Girl, it feels like a miracle that you're mine, so don't get me wrong. I'm a God-fearing Christian man, but if you were a religion, then
I don't understand this. What the fuck am I doing wrong?
I might have to worship you. I might have to sing your praise.
She's about to give us the solar flare, right?
Every single night and day. Yeah, I might have to hit my knees.
I don't blame you, Daly. I don't blame you.
You love me like hallelujah. I might have to worship you. I might have to worship you. Said I might have to worship you. Don't get me wrong. I'm a God-fearing Christian man. But if you were a religion, then said I don't know what I'd do. Yeah, I might have to worship you. I might have to sing your praise. I might have to go to church, yeah, every single night and day. I might have to hit my knees, 'cause you laid on me like the truth. And you love me like
Yes, it's the Lego. She must have bought another Lego set.
There. Wow. How long did that fucking take? Holy shit.
Yeah.
Next page? Wow. Okay. Finally. Fuck, man.
No, she'll pat herself on the back that she did this.
new truck, big lift, old roads. We've been tearing up since way back when. These wheels are innocent. New hits, new seats, no hit story, and you just can't fake that. So let's change that, girl. Let's go put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy engine running. Just you and me in a truck wild like a California king. We could break it in if you know it.
I think she's just waiting a little longer to go live in the evenings. Come here.
All night, no breaks, all real.
I caught. Say hello and good night. You little shit. She did. She opened up every bag just like she did last. She didn't learn. Good night. That's true. 222. That's a very good point. He's out of here. You're watching the Psycho again.
I got this. Put some love on it.
I also think, mixing them up, opening the bags is bad, but her comprehension and even reading the book and the examples is bad. She opened up the bags.
Nope, because then this.
We watched her open them.
Nope.
Oh, you were saying goodnight to Tink. Okay. He's just waking up for the night. They're night owls. Katie's still sleeping.
This one goes like this. Okay.
You and I had this off and on so long. You've been here, then you've been gone so many times. And every night, yeah, I'm always bumping into you. We do the same things we used to. It's your place or it's mine.
She didn't make her wear Crocs. Should we do you guys want to listen to the transcripts and just keep her on the side?
I got this. Just hold on. Just give me some time and I can do this, okay? Listen, you guys are on timeout. You guys don't know how to behave yourselves. So
Oh.
I would put the comments on, but you guys just don't know how to fucking give me some fucking space. So, I mean, I know you guys are keyboard warriors, so maybe I'll give your fingers a break. They're probably working like overtime.
Keyboard warriors.
So you're welcome. Okay. Such a smart ass. Okay. Sorry. I'm funny I'm really funny when I want to be. Really, seriously. I should just try it more often. It makes me laugh. Okay. What the hell am I doing? I think I got some stuff in my freaking teeth though.
State your name. Gabrielle Jacobson.
What is this?
All right.
No, that's not it. Hey. Okay. Okay, here we go. So now this one goes like this. At least if we can get one card done, I'm fine with it. Okay.
I've already accepted that I can't monetize because of the music.
Okay, there's another one. Come on, get there. Okay, there. And now,
Bear with me for 1 second while I set
we need
this
this
up.
one right here. So this one goes like this. Yep. And then we have this that goes like this. Okay, perfect. And then now this goes on the other side. Okay. So now this goes like this. Then
She is on TikTok.
this goes here. And then
But now,
wait a second. Where's the other one?
If you raise your hand again, do you swear or affirm?
She
to tell
gets
the
louder.
truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good.
okay, can you hear the court
You want to do these? Okay.
transcripts?
So as to the respondents.
Natasha Brown.
Okay, Ms. Brown, do you
I
swear or
muted
affirm
Gabby.
to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but
If
the
we
truth?
see her
Yes,
mouthing
Your Honor.
off, we can go back to her.
Your name?
Laura Harding.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, very good. Okay, now, we can either do a brief opening or go directly into testimony. Do you want to give an opening, or do you, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so
Okay,
shake
good.
your head yes. We are being recorded.
Yep.
Everything that's being said is being recorded. So with hand movements and head movements, that's not going to be reflected.
Thanks for
in
the gifts,
record.
guys. They're not
So
necessary.
An opening kind of just is a
I forgot to
chance
shut 'em
give an
off.
Overview, not to really get into testimony in the case. And then
You can smell her brain.
counsel for the defense or respondents can give an opening, and then we'll begin with testimony.
Oh, it gets.
Okay, so
Just wait.
give an opening then.
All right. Your Honor, I stand before you today deeply concerned for the safety and
You're not
well-being
late.
of myself and my son. For months, I have been the target of cyber stalking and cyber harassment that's leaving me feeling unsafe in my own home. Threats of violence,
Thank you,
threats
Georgia,
of
Tennessee
rape,
girl.
and harassment. They have made it very clear that they are not going to stop, no matter what the consequences are. The fraudulent CPS calls, the disturbing acts of posting my address, of offers and free items, has put my family at risk and has caused significant emotional distress.
Not a tear.
I fear from the safety of myself and my son.
Yeah,
He is
could
a
be
minor and he's
unicorn.
vulnerable. I'm asking for a personal protection order to ensure that we can live without fear and to regain our sense of security.
Thank you again, Georgia, Tennessee girl.
Counsel, do you wish to reserve or give your opening at this time?
Just briefly, Judge, I'll give it, so the court is aware of some of my cross-examinations. These are fake petitions. She has filed fake petitions across the country.
Oh, thank you.
Regarding fraudulent injunctions, Your Honor. She's a TikToker. What she does is she goes on TikTok and she creates fake drama and creates fake things that never happened so that she could then get viewers.
Guys,
She makes tens of
stay
thousands of
strong.
dollars by putting up fake posts about things that never
Thank
actually
you.
happened to her. She's a wannabe actress on TikTok where she creates fake drama. She's never met my clients before. She's never seen them before probably until today. She's never met them. My clients have never texted her. They've never called her. Both of them are from out of state. And one is from Indiana. Ms.
chose
Laura
one.
Harding is from Indiana and flew here for this. Miss Natasha Brown is from Ohio and flew here for this. She has filed fake injunctions.
She's live on
in-
TikTok, but she
I love
has
him too. He's
comments
the best.
in
off,
DuPage
and she's not
County,
talking.
Illinois. They were
She's
all
singing
dismissed.
to music.
I can put the names on the record later. It'll be part of my case. She has also filed one against Laura Harding, who's here, a fake injunction that was done in Monroe County. That hearing happened back in September. It was denied by the court up there, and then she refiled here. This person,
It gets better.
it's come to my attention, is going to be putting these proceedings on TikTok for a financial gain. This is nothing more than someone who's abusing the court system for financial gain. There's been no threats ever.
Thank you,
Not one time.
Villain.
And I believe that's what the evidence is going to show. The temporaries were not granted, and they were not granted for a reason. There's no dates in here, there's no times, there's no evidence whatsoever that my clients even know her. So other than what they've seen about her on TikTok, that she's a professional scam artist is what the evidence is going to show. Thank you.
All right. So, counsel, do you object if she testifies from the table? Okay.
Not at all.
Okay, very good. All right, so ma'am, this would be...
See where it's highlighting is where we're at.
And stay away from
Yes,
she's
my
and
understanding.
hers, because there's two respondents. so
She's going to
I
have
need
the
you
same
identify
judge.
by name.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I sent Natasha and Laura.
Objection, Your Honor, she's reading from a script. This is...
She's reading from a script.
That's not proper testimony.
Nope.
Yeah, coward.
Your Honor, I am just very scared, and I wrote it out just to help me bulletproof the points.
Oh, thank you.
Well, if it's a document that you've written...
Well, everything I'm about to say is I'm going to show you evidence backing
She's
up
so
my
stupid.
statement.
Well,
It gets better.
you need to testify.
No, you're not late. It's just starting.
Recollection by looking at your notes, you can do that, but you should try to testify without reading a statement.
Yeah, the baby voice.
Okay, Your Honor.
So,
So I sent Natasha and Laura a assist and deceased
Assist
for
and
them to please stop talking about me. Since then, they are both on live, making a joke out of it. Natasha
Hey,
Brown,
shifted to shape.
I have her on a screen recording, stated, "This is a joke. You're not going to win, and I'm not going to stop talking about you." And she said the words, "I'm going to wipe this with my butt." Your Honor, Natasha Brown and Laura Harding, I can't even go on a live stream without them making fun of me, talking about my body parts, saying nasty things on live about me.
None of this is
They have
fair.
posted my
right?
address.
Objection, Your Honor, she's reading from a script.
okay,
Reading from a
Her
script.
TikTok script.
okay. So, again, testify...
You haven't missed anything, Oat. It's just starting.
Yeah, without using...
I'm sorry.
See, it'll tell you right up here where
So
we're
ever
at.
since my phone number and address were doxxed, I've gotten violence of threats,
Violence of
a rape
threats.
Threat, and
See,
just
it tells you right
harassment.
here where we're at.
Every time.
Facts not in evidence. She never alleged anything regarding a rape in either.
Tap, tap,
position.
tap.
So she's bringing in extrinsic, new facts, new allegations that aren't in her allegation.
Your Honor, I have everything that I would like you to see, please.
Oh, I don't know why the stickers aren't working.
Rules of evidence are
Oh,
going
she gets
to
worse.
apply. So,
Thank you, Lynn.
if you have exhibits, there's a way of introducing them.
Also, Miss Laura Harding has posted pictures of my son, has talked absolutely nasty about my son, posting his IEP, talking about his IEP, telling me that I'm a shitty mother, and
Facts,
how
baby.
they are calling CPS, weaponizing law enforcement, making a joke, laughing about it, getting all of their followers to call. Laura Harding stated that she would call SSI and to
No.
tell everybody to call
Wrong-o.
SSI to get my Social Security taken away from my son.
Wrongo.
Also, the last couple of days in the court, before court, Natasha Brown, and I have her on a recording,
Thank you,
stated that
Goldie.
she's going to be in the courtroom, and she said that I want her to walk past me so I can see if she smells like tuna and cornfish. Then I have it on a recording.
Not the
Natasha
cornfish.
Brown is going to take pictures and recording me outside of the courthouse.
And it was,
Same thing with Laura.
but guess who recorded her outside the courthouse? Her sister and Momo did that, not me.
Boom shakalaka.
Also, I have a screen recording that Laura Harding called me a cunt. I'm sorry. And twat waffles.
Called me a cunt.
Also,
None of this is in her petition.
Okay.
None of this. This is all.
Thank you,
I'm asking
Mary.
her to be.
Thank you, Mary.
Whatever's in her petition is obviously what she can talk about. Now we're talking about rape and twat.
If we go down here, we'll be on YouTube.
Your Honor, this was just a couple days ago.
Graphs and patterns.
We need to stay
And she
focused
studied
on
for that
what's in the
IQ test,
petition,
too.
Because that's what you're here for court. There hasn't been a supplemental petition filed. So,
You see, a narcissist has trouble following the rules that the rest of us has to abide by. And here in the courtroom, she had to follow the rules that were set for all of us. It was really hard. YouTube's in my bio.
Petition, and if you have exhibits that are going to
That's
help you
right. She's coming in hot.
you'll need to try to move those into evidence.
I am clearing my name with facts. That lawyer's the greatest.
So when Natasha Brown has doxed my address and phone number, all of them were included in phone calls over and over
thank
again.
you, Unicorn.
I had threats of saying, I'm going to go kill yourself.
It was hard.
I believe there's a direct correlation with Natasha and my safety for these threats. Also, there has been, since my address was put out there, I have been getting Craigslist ads saying free diapers and wipes. I have been scared in my home, getting knocked on the door by strangers. I have a screenshot stating that they are going to come and I'm going to give them the diapers and wipes like I promised them. I called the police and I said, I am scared. Can you guys please send a police officer? Because I don't know who's going to show up at my door. I am living in fear, Your Honor, every time I'm home.
She can't prove any of us did that.
If there's a knock on the door, I'm scared. I call my fiance and I'm like, babe, there's a knock on the door. I don't know who's here.
Oh no, she
I changed my numbers multiple times and they still.
At the very beginning, I missed. Folks were telling me that Kaylee gifted her, and she blocked Kaylee, and she did a little, sucking her little finger, flipping her off. Yeah, so that's already taken care of, and she was very, very cocky about it. Thank you. Thank you, that 40s mom.
Find me, and they still harass me.
No, ma'am, we don't. You're on a public platform.
I have all the evidence up with Craigslist and the phone calls.
Thank you,
Your
Southern
Honor.
Gigi. Appreciate it.
And the threats and the rape threats.
She can't prove who done them. And see what it says right down
I
here.
have a lot of exhibits I would like the
Hey
court
there.
to see with Laura Harding and what she has said about
They
my son
give
and
law
how he posted,
courses.
of my son. That needs to be
Definitely the
shown.
pro boners.
She was
My son doesn't
denied.
deserve this, Your Honor, and they're not going to stop. And Natasha stated that she, if nothing happens today,
Oh my God, thank you.
go and blast the law firm and tell me, make me the worst person in the. It's a mockery, and I'm scared of what she's going to do if I don't get a PPO.
Did you have
Yes, she represented herself.
161 is in her
it was
live.
predicate, so
She had already been denied
you'll need to
5
show
times
the-
prior, and also in the state of Indiana before she decided to take me to court.
Yes,
in
release
Florida.
the Beanstein files.
Laura exhibits.
We've just handed the attorney 3 stacks of paper, so give him a minute to look through it.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
And then we'll have to go through each one individually.
They can record it. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm clearing my name.
Stack,
Also here. I'm so sorry.
and
Now, I haven't seen Tiffany.
this looks like something different that was not in the, some of these look something different that were not in the original. There's improper foundation here and hearsay to the first stack.
All right, let's mark that A just for identification.
There's nothing to authenticate any of those. There's nothing whatsoever.
The truth is coming out.
She kind of insinuated, I don't remember exactly,
Phone numbers.
but she
random,
sort of
nothing to
insinuated that she
authenticate any of
won.
these. This is all hearsay.
See, nothing was authenticated.
Thank you,
All
Shavette.
hearsay, so it's denied. None of it gets to go in there.
Thank you, Gabby's nut. I said Gabby's nut rolls. Gabby's neck rolls.
Oh my God, he's the best.
Identification purposes, just so the record's clear.
Thank
My
you.
Columbo.
Third stack is the same thing. This is not in the original for either Lauren Harding or Natasha Brown. This is all hearsay. None of this is.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Shifted Shape. Appreciate it.
This is all.
I can't remember exactly how she said it.
No way to tell who created this, and it's our position that she created this. This is all false, that she created this herself for her TikTok profits.
Thank you.
None
Thank you
of this,
again.
It's all hearsay.
All right, so that will be Exhibit C for identification. All right.
I got it up full blast, babe. Yep, denied it because she couldn't authenticate it.
When the
because
judge
she's faked
hugs
too
her.
much evidence.
Or calls her honey, right? That's what we're listening for.
Okay.
She's on pause.
All right, so based on the evidentiary objections, did you have anything?
I did not
further
see
in terms
Kaylee
of,
gift her, but
arguing
people
against the
did.
objections that this is hearsay?
At the
that it's
very,
not
very
authenticated?
beginning of her life.
Yes, Your Honor. Everything that is in there is 100% the truth. And I have screen
That's
recordings
okay.
proving that this Natasha Brown is this TikTok live stream as well that is cyber stalking me.
You guys stop
And I have,
giving
I have
gifts.
everything
Thank
that I
you.
can prove. I have her speaking about how she's going to take pictures of me and how
There's
found
a
hotel
hearing
that's
set.
15 minutes away from me.
There's a hearing
she was
set
stating all
on
of this
Wednesday
the last,
for the hand
a
holder.
couple days.
I like
It's
that.
been going on for months. I have tons of proof, and
Okay.
I've made
I'm
police
gonna
reports.
object at this point to whatever
You guys,
she's
thank you.
testifying to.
Stop
None of this is
gifting.
in her affidavit.
Just tap so we don't go down.
Injunction, and all of those documents are hearsay.
All right. They've been marked for exhibit.
Yeah, corn,
for
that's
the
what people
record,
said, and then
but the
got
court would have
blocked.
Oh my
to
God,
sustain
guys,
the
quit that.
objection as to hearsay as to all three composite exhibits. So.
Thank you, but please. Yes, I will post it to my YouTube.
To argue your case.
So when I file, Your Honor, they just told me to just do a rough summary and then to bring in all the evidence.
Hearsay.
Okay. Well.
So it's my first time doing this as
No,
well.
it wasn't.
I love that he picks it at every little thing.
You can choose to hire counsel to represent you, or you can proceed pro se, which is what you've chosen to do. But I can't assist you in telling you how to present your case. All I can do is rule on objections. And at this point, the objection is that those documents are hearsay. So it doesn't get something into evidence just to say, I have evidence and it's all true.
Okay, and then what about if I want to show you some clips of her speaking?
Now, that judge clearly explained it to her, but how did she walk away and think, thank you, how did she walk away and think if she just sends it in before the actual court date? Because that's what she thinks now, that she got it in just in time.
Well, again, are they in your,
They told me I couldn't do it to have a flash drive.
Okay, there's 143 pages to your petition.
Did you hear that? 143 pages to her petition.
So,
I'm just
are
a
these exhibits
baby.
referenced in your petition?
They should be.
Yep, she had burden
the
of
last
proof.
couple of days, with the whole court thing that she's been on live, talking about how they're going to take me down, how their goal was to shut us up.
Gabby thinks words are
Judge, I'm gonna
criminal.
object.
Okay. I'm sorry, go ahead, counsel.
My objection is this is well outside the scope of the injunction, whatever she's filed. And
Okay. All right, the injunction
Thank
was
you, Mary.
filed on October 31st,
6767.
2024, I believe, is what the clerk's record
Yeah,
reflects.
she's on
So
TikTok.
we need to stay with the
Thank you.
supporting evidence up to the date of filing. So believe
So
what
with-
you're telling me now is this is all stuff that's occurred since.
Thank
With
you,
the
football
injunction, Your
fangirl.
Honor,
Me
I
and
did
Brownie
mention
at this
about
time.
Craigslist and CPS,
She is on
fraudulent
TikTok,
CPS,
and it's the
how
same
they
account.
call nonstop.
She just changed
Mind
the
you, she
name.
didn't have any evidence of that either.
CPS is actually looking into this as
She
well.
had no
That's what they
evidence.
told
She
me.
just thinks the judge should
Because
take
it's
her
just
word like here on
nonstop.
TikTok.
And they said they won't stop.
The real world doesn't work that way.
Also, I have, I mentioned in my injunction that doxing my address, and I have proof of her account and her picture that's stating that that is her account, and a picture that she doxed my number. And ever since she doxed my number, That is where all the harassment started. She is the ringleader of the whole group. And if she,
I'll be right back.
Believe that
I'm going
between
to
Natasha posting
make
my
a cup of
address and
decaf
phone number,
coffee.
it put a risk to my family's safety. And Your Honor, I am living in fear.
Your Honor. I'll be right back.
I had no issues prior to Natasha doxing my number and address.
Oh my God, thank you,
making a
Billy.
joke on live. It's
The
been
hell is
screen
that?
recorded. It's live, and you can't.
Oh my God, was that what I thought it was? Lord have mercy.
Deny evidence. You just can't.
Y'all are gonna make me cry.
It's not hearsay if you have it on recording, Your Honor. And I would love to show it to you because
Did you hear what she told the judge? She thinks she could boss the judge.
I just want to be able to go home and be able to have a sense of security and knowing
stop
that I'm
rage
not going to live in
baiting.
fear.
Stop lying on people. Yep. Thinks she could tell the judge all kinds of lies, and the judge is just supposed to believe her because she makes that silly noise. I appreciate you all. Thank you. That's not what I'm doing this for.
Objection if he wishes, and then let me make a legal ruling.
We'll start with Laura Harding.
She called me a cunt. I love you guys too. Thank you so much. Yep, it'll be on YouTube. According to her, she says
Exhibit
3
M.
years, but
Laura Harding.
Okay, wait.
Reading from a document, not an evidence.
Okay. Again, you're starting to reference to an
trying to read
exhibit.
her script again.
It's an exhibit matching up to.
Okay.
I mean, I don't have to read this.
Okay.
Yes. Let me remind you all, the Attorney General that she claims, she's not in trouble with, was sitting directly behind me in the courtroom listening to all of this, every bit of it. And you guys can ask Slot that this shit takes time, not just 5 months.
Exhibit for the court to look at. There's no exhibit in evidence.
Submitted in evidence.
There's nothing received into evidence.
And she just keeps faking doctors
are not in evidence.
and documents.
So
She
I
just
can't consider that
thinks
as
she's
evidence
untouchable.
because the proper
Oh my God, what is that? Mabel, thank you.
I'm sorry, Honor. I wish I would have known that.
All right. Are you able to go forward with any proof at this time?
I have proof, but it's not in my injunction.
Okay.
But I do have proof of CPS threats that was in my injunction.
All right. If you have threats of CPS that are in the injunction, again, give me reference, an exhibit, show
You
it to
guys are
counsel,
great. Thank
and
you.
let me
You don't need
see
to do
if,
that.
There's any objection to the court receiving the document.
Show her the
Let's check in.
You're not going to use his name on my live? I'm not going to accept that. Why don't you protect him too? Oh, wait, you can't. You can't.
Comments are still off. Who's she talking to? She turned the chat off. I don't know, Elizabeth. Oh, there's Stingy. Wonder what prompted that. Let's go back. I see her lips flapping. I'll switch back.
Everybody's just supposed to take her for her word because she's so credible, right? She has a clue. The dumb is just an act. She's done this to multiple people in multiple courtrooms across the country. I appreciate it. You guys are going to make me cry, for real. I did
I
this
know,
because she has
the
lied
music.
on multiple people, multiple other creators here on TikTok, and they go silent. She's just been getting. I'm not going to go
Look
silent.
at it, rage bait.
have a voice
Oh,
and
this
I'm gonna
bitch!
use it.
I can't wait till Wednesday.
You don't get to lie
Guys,
on my name.
guys, we have to learn those
And
moves
fake
for
evidence.
Wednesday.
You don't get to do that, Gabby.
First stack.
This is my
I'm gonna
truth.
rewatch the live
My
and learn
truth
those
comes with
moves.
hard fucking facts that don't give a fuck about your feelings.
Is all hearsay. She wrote
Oh my God,
on
really?
it,
Thank you guys.
and there's nothing to authenticate it. It is our belief that she created this
Oh, I
fraudulent for the
see.
purposes of
She turned him
today's
on.
proceedings.
Okay, I missed
All right, so
that.
this would be number 4 as a proffer.
It's all
Total
it's all
waste.
hearsay.
Good.
Nothing to. She hasn't authenticated any of it. And
4
then the
other
second
judges in the
batch
state of
that
Florida saw her evidence
is
before
something
this
that
day.
looks like she
And she was
highlighted a bunch
denied.
of things, wrote things on there like CPS.
I appreciate you guys.
Objection. Is it possible to, like, do an IP address to track?
Okay, hold on. Let him finish making his objection, and you can respond to his objection.
So none of these, this is all hearsay.
Saying it's all hearsay.
Been authenticated. These are from unknown phone numbers.
Objection
It's our belief that she
hearsay.
created all of these texts herself, wrote things like CPS on it herself. These are none of these phone numbers go to anything.
He's telling her that none of the phone numbers are corroborated. There's no proof of her evidence being authenticated. It's all been made up by Gabby Jacobson.
The vast majority.
And the
of this,
judge seems to
other than
agree.
I think the first page is all. Is none of it is in the injunction. And the first page of it is still
Best one in the
an unknown
county.
Oh,
text
thank you,
message from
Mary.
an unknown date, unknown time, from an
I
unknown
truly think she
person.
has ODD. She is so defiant.
The rest of it.
I know she told everyone she
stepped on
lied.
a bee.
She's still lying on my name today.
Dog
These
stepped on a
pictures are
bee.
not in her petition, and it's all hearsay.
All right. Now,
That's
did
a
you want to
fine
respond
idea,
to his
Kim.
objection?
Yes, it is not all hearsay, and if we could have the courts run an IP address, get all the
If we could have the
ICPS,
courts run-
everything that I have submitted, as well as here in the court, is not fraudulent. It is 100% facts. And
judge
if we
ruled
have to
that it
investigate
wasn't-
and go deeper into this, showing that none of this is hearsay, none of this is fraudulent.
You know what is fact, Gabby? Each of those documents. It's fact that that comment was made on your live for all those 146 pages. That's it. She has no idea who made the comments.
I would love to do that because I am standing here before you, Your Honor, telling you 100% that was not me and I did not create those.
Judge ruled they had been faked, and she's the only one standing there presenting them to a judge. The only people in the courtroom at this time are me,
Tammy,
Brownie,
you're not
the
alone.
Attorney General, my lawyer, the judge, and Gabby.
She's
Thank
not
you.
just going to be a no. She's not going to be a no-show
And
without a
if we could
reason.
run an IP
That's
address
my.
to-
I can't.
It's
I
got to
can't.
be something
That's
medical.
not my job to investigate or present a case. So
Yep, she
Boom,
thought she could do
honey.
in a court of law what she does here on TikTok.
It's not her job.
Objection.
And let me remind you, all of her forged evidence has been
Good, Ann.
documented in evidence.
Motions.
Yep, comments are
Right
still
there
off.
for the Attorney General
No,
to
Your Honor.
Oh shit!
get a hold of.
Yes.
I got blocked.
Miss Jacobson, you stated under oath here, under
I got
penalties
more.
of perjury, that this is your first time ever doing this. Is that correct? Do you remember saying that here in court? You
Oopsie.
said that in court.
Wait, did you hear what he said?
Aw, her
And who is
little
she talking about committing
little
perjury and lying under
trolls.
oath? She just said that this was her first time doing this, and he's asking her about it.
Remember that?
I got
Injunction.
blocked.
Okay. You actually filed.
I didn't even know which
fraudulent
TikTok- I'm
injunction
telling you, I
against
don't-
Maria Matthews, case number 20.
I don't even know which
case number
TikTok account. Well, obviously, it was one she recognized.
O is in orange, P is in Paul, 001471, and you
Yeah,
filed
he
that
went
fake
there.
injunction, which was denied.
All right,
in
I'm
DuPage
gonna-
County, Illinois, do you recall that?
I do.
Okay.
And
You
I-
also filed a
So
you
who
also
has lied
filed a
under
fake
oath?
injunction to Juliana
I'm gonna-
Muskowski. Juliana spelled Juliana, last name Maskowski.
The truth is coming out, tippity tap, because she's going to be madder than a wet
That
hen.
was case number 2023-001 O is in orange.
Thank you for
P
the
as in
super
Paul,
chat.
001470.
Appreciate it.
You filed that in DePage
That was my
County,
own fault.
Illinois. That fake injunction was filed and it was denied by the court. Do you recall that?
I do, but how is it fraudulent when I went into the courthouse and did all the paperwork that they told me to do?
How is it
That's
fraudulent?
not
They told
fraudulent.
me. They
You also
told me.
filed a fake injunction against a Taylor Sloan, case number 2023-O is in orange, P is in Paul.
I'm sorry.
1469. You filed that in DePage County, Illinois, and that all this you submitted.
That's my
all the
CD
same-
drive I had
all
to
the
get.
same things that you submitted here with the fake phone numbers, all of that, and that was denied in DePage County. Do you recall that?
I do, but at the same time, that was my first time doing all of this, and I was new.
It was
So you
new.
have
Was filing in DePage County, Illinois, your first time, Gabby, or was it right here in this courtroom that you swore under oath was your first time doing this? I think that's called perjury.
done this before. So yes?
Yes.
You lied to the court. You
Multiple
said
other
earlier
cases, Steph.
that This is your first time, correct?
Well, with the injunction and being in a different state, I mean, I never had to do with like cyber stalking. It was always, what do they call it in DuPage? Something different. So that's what I meant.
Okay. You also filed a fake injunction against my client Laura Harding in Monroe County, Indiana, which was denied by the court there. And you filed all the same stuff that you filed here. That was denied on September 17th, 2024. Do you recall that?
I do.
Okay, so you recall filing all the same information in Monroe County, Indiana, regarding Laura Harding. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Okay. And you recall being in front of a judge on or about September 17th of 2024, and the judge denying your injunction there.
Yes.
Okay. So this wasn't, when you told the court here earlier that this was your first time doing this, you lied to this court, correct? Yes or no?
No, it's cyber stalking. I just thought it was different of how every state's different how
Oh,
they proceed.
don't
and
punish me, Judge. I'm just a big old dummy
I
dumb.
mean, I just thought the cyber stalking was a different.
No, you didn't.
Different.
Judge didn't buy it
proceeding.
either.
I'm trying to. I got blocked. Hang on. Hang on.
In Illinois.
Stay with me for a
No.
second.
In
as
Monroe
well as
County,
in
you did.
Indiana.
No, that was domestic violence. No.
No,
It wasn't
ma'am.
cyber stalking.
You filed injunctions in Illinois and in Indiana, correct?
I don't recall injunctions that they were saying that. It was something else.
Protect.
No, ma'am.
Something for protection, a protection order?
Maybe, but it wasn't.
The same thing the same type of legal piece of
See,
paper.
she
that
thinks
you
she can
filed
play
here, you have
innocent and
filed
lie
in
and just
DePage
lie.
County, Illinois, correct?
It was 3 years ago. It was a paper that I had the DuPage court help me with, and it wasn't like
Somebody
I had
helped her with
here
it. She's
today.
trying to throw somebody else under the bus. Thank you, Vicky.
Her comments are off. I'm trying to. This is my computer's like locked
I
up right
didn't
now.
submit any evidence. I had to write a statement, and then they just had
Thank
it
you.
in front of a judge.
So you've been to DePage County, Illinois, correct?
Yes.
And all of your injunctions or requests for protection, all of those were denied there, correct?
Correct.
And you did the same thing to Laura Harding, who you brought here from Monroe County, Indiana. You brought her here from Monroe County, and you did the same thing to her in Monroe County, Indiana, correct?
I love him too.
Correct.
Okay, you filed all the same paperwork in Monroe County that you did here, correct?
Say that one more time.
You filed all the same or similar paperwork regarding these phone numbers, this alleged stalking. You filed all of that in Monroe County, Indiana against Laura Harding, correct?
Yes.
And that was all denied on September 17, 2024.
Correct. But
Mine too,
again, if I
Lauren.
could say something, I didn't know. I'm not really good at this kind of stuff, and
Isn't it true you posted online a $500 bounty whoever could record today's court proceedings so that you could post it on your TikTok page?
Say that one more time.
You posted a $500 bounty to whoever could record today's events so that you could post it on TikTok.
Bounty? No.
You posted a request for somebody to tape record today's proceedings.
No.
Is that why you brought your Apple Watch in so that you could tape record today's proceedings?
Absolutely not.
Oopsie.
And you're here to make money off this court proceeding, correct?
No.
How much money do you make on TikTok?
Snark
Not
is
a lot.
live if you want to
You
see
have
Gabby.
subscribers,
I'm
correct?
trying, but it's
I do.
Mind you, they already knew the answers
I
to
got
everything
blocked.
he's asking.
You post your address out there for your subscribers, correct?
Nope,
No.
he's the
You
best
ask
in
your
Lee County.
subscribers to send you gifts for your son, for yourself, correct?
Friends, yes.
No, yeah, you
But they're
post,
not subscribers.
you post your address publicly so people could send you gifts for your son.
No, that is friends that I've met.
Okay, and you have posted
Thank you,
this
Velen.
publicly, correct?
that's a lie.
Post what?
Your address in Cape Coral. you
No.
posted this.
No, I've never posted my address on social media.
And you've
well,
requested,
crap.
and you posted your phone number, correct?
No.
And her
You
license
posted
plate.
things so that you could
She
have
doxed herself just
people
again
from the
today.
community send you
Thank you, guys.
items for your son, which you then turn around and sell on Facebook Marketplace.
Absolutely not.
Creating fake persona, correct?
No.
You have a TikTok persona, correct?
I do.
And
A
you're
persona.
doing that for money, correct?
It's for an income.
Yes.
She lies
You
for
put the
income
drama of
on
all of
TikTok.
this, the drama that you create, you put on there so that you can make money from people, correct?
It's entertainment.
Okay.
Just
like
entertainment, her fake miscarriage,
No.
all entertainment.
Man,
Rage
personal.
baiting.
Yes.
You said there was a letter regarding a cease and desist.
He did the, I gotta pause for a second. He did this part right here because, like I said, the Attorney General was sitting behind us, the one that's investigating her for the fraud, for practicing law without a license, for all kinds of other shit, was sitting right behind us. So this part he's doing for the Attorney General in the courtroom.
You recognize that item?
Yes.
How do you recognize that item?
This is from a paralegal in Illinois
Paralegals cannot
that
practice law.
she said that she would help me. And so she wrote it, and then I mailed it out.
Okay, you mailed it out here in Cape Coral?
Yes.
Okay. So that is, you got that from a real law firm?
Yes.
Okay, what's the name of the law
Testified
firm?
it's a real law
It's
firm.
Steinfeld. There's 3 parts of it, but I can go, if I can get excused, I can go ahead and reach the paralegal,
Okay. So
and they can tell you.
there is a law office of Steinfeld, and Francis law offices. Is
Cor-
that
Yes.
correct?
There's more, there's like 3 parts of it.
Okay. And you're saying that this is a real law firm?
By the paralegal, yes.
Nope. Is this a real law firm?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a
I'm
lot.
gonna show
She's
you.
a supervisor paralegal that works for the law firm and works for the attorneys.
Okay, I'll ask.
Guess who else testified that was a real law firm? Mimi.
This is defense 1, and then I'm going to show you what's not the defense, respondents 1. Respondents 2, this is also a letter directed to Laura Hardy.
Correct.
Is that from the same law firm?
Yes.
And you're saying here under oath in this court that law firm exists?
That's what the paralegal told me.
No.
Throwing
Are you
people under the
competing with someone
bus.
From that law firm?
Correct, yes. When I was living in Illinois, we were actually, it was a family friend from a long, long time ago. And now she's older and she got her degree as a paralegal and now she's a paralegal supervisor. And she found me on TikTok and she said, Gabby, this
Karma
is not
is
okay
locked
for someone
and
to do
loaded,
this to
y'all.
you. So she looked over my TikTok, she investigated, she dug deep, and she was like, I can help you. They need to stop doing this to you.
All right, so this
If you want me to, I can go outside and
We
talk
need to
the
stop
paralegal.
telling the truth
I
about
can go
her
outside and
being an
call
actress
her.
and telling lies to earn money here on TikTok. Imagine that. To see what
Illinois.
happened
My
to
screen's a
purpose.
hot mess, but
is this the same?
It's called theft by deception,
that
Gabby.
Philip Steinberg is from?
I never
When you impersonated Philip Steinberg, is this
you impersonated.
impersonated. I'm so sorry. Can you repeat that again?
when you impersonated a
Somebody
lawyer,
said it was a ginseng tree.
law firm,
I never impersonated anybody.
do you know who Philip Steinberg is?
No.
Okay, so you're under oath. Did you go to this law firm of Steinfeld and Francis law office?
No, I did not. I was FaceTiming with the law firm.
She FaceTime with that law firm now in their office. A law firm that doesn't exist.
Okay, so you don't object to the court reviewing this. You agree that this was a letter that you produced and mailed to Ms. Natasha Brown?
The paralegal wrote it, they emailed it to me, and I sent it out here, yes.
That'll be respondents.
Right to the Attorney General.
Respondents to. And did you, respondents to, which is to Laura
She's
Hardy?
being investigated. She is in trouble.
Andy, that's great.
Have Victoria?
He was genius, man. Genius.
Yes,
And is she a real person?
she's a real
She
person.
consented to writing that letter.
Yes, she did.
And she wrote that on a real law firm's letterhead.
The judge took it into evidence.
Do you know that that law firm exists, yes or no?
Yes, I looked at it.
Okay, so it does exist.
Yes, there's
Okay.
3 parts of it, but I would like to, if I
Thank you,
could,
Helen.
go out there and call Victoria and prove that it is a law firm.
I think she can get somebody on the
If I
phone.
could.
You mailed that letter on
Oh my God.
You're welcome. I said I would go live when I got it.
number 2.
She
3.
is
Response
just
2. You
ridiculous.
actually mailed that letter here in from Cape Coral, correct?
Yes,
Okay. Do you agree?
I love him
that-
too.
That you posted that FedEx receipt, that you mailed that letter to both Natasha Brown and to Laura
Both
Hardy?
had
Yeah.
Morgan and
You did
Morgan.
that here in Cape
She
Coral.
was 57.
Yeah.
It was an off day.
All right.
Enter that into evidence?
Very well spent. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you very much.
can I go call the paralegal?
And
I missed her asking that.
is that your testimony here on oath? And did you meet with this law firm of Steinfeld
Thank you.
and Francis?
I had a FaceTime meeting in her office.
Okay, and did you meet with an attorney?
No, I did not.
Did you speak to
She
him?
just testified a minute
No, I
ago.
did
She
not.
did.
So you met with
Gabby was
paralegal
Gabby's lawyer.
Victoria Quintero, the paralegal supervisor,
Yes,
at the law firm of Steinfeld, and Francis.
I don't know if she
Law
does or not.
Offices.
yes.
And the phone number, 630-532-9102.
Nope, this is not recorded illegally. This was,
Where does that go?
I got these the right way. I filed
Whose phone number?
the paperwork. See, this is me requesting
Does that go to you?
this recording.
No, that's not my number.
That goes to your friend, Victoria?
The paralegal.
That goes to your friend, who's posing as a paralegal, correct?
No.
Yep, he was there.
And you're telling this court under oath that the letters...
Oh my God, you
which are
guys, thank you.
marked as respondents 1 and 2 from Steinfeld...
If someone
and
plays
Francis
these
Law Office,
in the
those are
morning
real
on
letters
Wednesday, it could be a
that
double
You
header.
were given from a real law firm and that you sent out...
We could
here
maybe
in
get some
court.
live notes from
Shit.
the boots on the
Stupid
ground.
computer.
And isn't it true you also showed those
Yep.
letters to law enforcement in Monroe County, Ohio?
Yes.
Okay. And you also showed those letters in Indiana as well when you called the police on Laura Harding.
No.
You sent the letters to law enforcement.
For the deceased?
Yeah.
No.
The ones that we just marked as evidence, which is respondents 1 and 2, from the law firm of Steinfeld, and Francis Law Offices, you sent those letters to law enforcement in Monroe County, Ohio.
I
He didn't.
love the
He's
comma.
still not done eating yet.
The comma is
He's
its own
still
side
eating.
I
character.
mailed them.
I
You
will.
mailed them.
Yes.
Okay. And that was when you were filing a complaint against them, Natasha
No,
Brown?
she's playing dumb.
No, I was doing the assist and deceased to stop having to have them to stop talking about me. If they could.
She was trying to take away my First Amendment right to.
She does repeatedly say over and over and over, they're talking about me. Like, what kind of idiot?
Freedom of speech to voice my opinion about her shitty acting here on this app.
Continue to go on, I would bring it further.
Okay, and then you also mailed those same
Oh my
letters
God,
from
3 million. You guys are
Steinfeld
awesome.
and Francis Law Offices to law enforcement in Indiana regarding Laura Harding, right?
No.
Okay. You only did that you only sent it to law enforcement regarding Natasha Brown.
Yes.
Okay. And you submitted those same letters from Steinfeld, and Francis Law Offices to the court in Illinois, correct?
I'm sorry, say that one
You
more time.
submitted the same letter to the court in DePage County, Illinois.
Not the same letter.
Hey.
No, Your
Hey,
Honor.
hey.
You submitted the same letter to the court.
We got
in
fighting going
Monroe
on
County,
with the
Indiana,
cats.
regarding Laura Harding.
No.
Playing, not fighting.
Where else did you submit this letter
Thank you,
from
Linda.
Steinfeld, and Francis Law
Appreciate
offices?
it.
It was towards Natasha Brown, Kylie Faubert,
You're right.
and
She probably
and
doesn't.
Laura J. Harding.
But she just said she didn't send one to my police.
And Kylie Faubert, that's somebody else that you filed an injunction against here in Lee County, correct?
Correct.
That's someone that has to come here from Michigan in April, correct?
Correct.
And isn't it true you've actually never spoken to Natasha Brown on the phone?
Correct.
Isn't it true you've never actually spoken to Laura Harding on the phone?
Correct.
Isn't it true Laura Harding never sent you
Yes,
a
Monroe
single
County,
text
Indiana.
message?
Thank you,
That I
Gigi
cannot
Momo,
confirm
too.
because I do have a screenshot from somebody that's saying Brownie, which is Natasha Brown,
Happy
is
Poop
calling you. And
is
I
a
said, I
gift?
know 50 people are.
Happy Poop.
She goes, are you okay? I'm like, no.
Very nice,
They won't
thank
leave
you.
me alone.
I don't think
Isn't it
she
true?
technically owes anything. I don't think that it was filed correctly by Find Out.
Natasha Brown has never called you.
Again, I cannot confirm that because I mean, speaking on the phone to phone, no.
Isn't it true that Natasha Brown's never sent you a single message?
Again, no, but I can't confirm that she wasn't a part of it when I have a screenshot stating that she was contributing.
Neither was I.
contributing to all of it.
So
This is
how
where
much
she
money
lost
are
her
you
case,
making
right
off of,
here.
TikTok from
But she's
Natasha
too dumb
Brown
to
and Laura.
understand.
I have to go ahead and calculate it.
See there? Who's making money off of... She's making money off our names.
I can't say a direct number. I could go and
The
look
judge
and
knows
add it all
exactly.
up.
So did the Attorney
But-
General. So did my attorney.
Squirrel Patrol, you've been busy.
All right. And you do these live podcasts where you make fun of your child.
Yep, he asked how much she's making.
To have people feel sorry for you to send money in, correct?
No.
And you do these live podcasts. You just stated under oath, you've never done that.
Not to make fun of my son. Absolutely not.
She
Isn't
is
it true
banned
you've
from
made-
TikTok,
You've
but-
actually made videos discussing your son.
Explain, please.
Isn't it true that you've made videos discussing your son online?
Discuss
Y'all remember these moves because we're doing them Wednesday.
You've made videos online on TikTok regarding your son, correct?
What I did was I am a
Yes or
mother.
no?
No.
No, okay. You said under oath you've never done that. You've never made videos regarding your son. And
Like disgusting videos?
discussing your son
Disgusting.
online. You've never done that.
Your Honor, I have to know like what he's talking about.
Talking about...
Like I can't.
Gabby,
when he
Thank
says
you, Goldie.
disgusting Things,
I'm glad.
Disgusting.
We've got some witty comments in
Isn't
here.
it true you've made videos online discussing your son to
Oh
the
yes.
public?
Yes.
Okay.
There's
I
lots
thought
of
you
people
said
trying
disgusting.
to
I'm sorry.
And isn't it true
hold her
you-
accountable for
you've
the
actually
ban
made
evading.
videos online of you bouncing off of your vagina, calling it a clam slam so you can get minors to watch you?
No.
You've never done that before online?
No.
Okay. Isn't it true you've actually done drugs online?
No.
Okay. And isn't it true you've discussed the mental health of your son online to get people to give you money?
Mental health.
You called your son a serial killer at one time online. Do you remember
I
that?
agree with you, Charlotte. I agree with you.
Do you remember that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you
I can't.
you were telling this. You actually called your son a serial killer.
Can I explain?
online.
Can I explain?
Yes or no?
Can I explain? Your Honor, can I please explain?
Go ahead.
Please,
Let her
can I-
explain. I'd
Go
love to hear
ahead.
I'm a new mom. And I had no friends, nothing like that. And when he was 1 year old, he was starting with all these behaviors,
you.
fighting, hitting, acting out. And being a first time mom, I didn't know. And so I was venting to a lot of moms. And I just said, I just don't want him to, I want to raise him right. And I just don't want him to be raised to be. And
I know she's
it
full of
wasn't-
shit.
I should have never said it. I was thinking out loud as a mom, and knowing that I was worried about what was wrong, and And, I just wanted to do what's right, and it wasn't towards anything, and he is a beautiful, he's an amazing child now, and
They do roll the
it
tape.
was just a venting moment, and
Ms. Jacobson, how much money did you make online when you called your son a serial killer and said he had bipolar disorder? How much money did you make?
I never said bipolar,
Okay.
and I never asked money for my son. That's disgusting.
And
What I do is,
how much money did you make when you posted videos of you slapping a dog?
I did not slap a dog.
Okay. And how much money did you make when you were posting videos regarding the fake threats?
Excuse me?
You remember going online saying you were threatened?
Yes, because I had a screenshot, a text message that came across my...
And you were in fear of your life, right?
I didn't want to show I was fearful of my life, because then if you do, then you show them that you are afraid, and sometimes they do
See,
something.
she makes money off of pretending to be stalked and harassed online while
Nothing to be
slandering
joking
other
about.
creators' names on
So you're
TikTok.
under oath. Being threatened is nothing to be joked about. That's what you're telling this court.
Basically, when I was
Yes
trying...
or no? Were you threatened?
I was, yes.
You were in fear for your life.
I was, yes.
And you posted that online.
Yes, this will be on YouTube.
I say things out of my mouth.
Did you post it?
I say things.
Afraid for your life? Yes or no?
I don't recall.
And they had all the answers right there. They were ready for her. Because remember, she had been in front of 5 other Florida judges with her bullshit before
I
today.
have nothing else for you.
All right, do you have any redirect based on his cross-examination?
Nothing is fraudulent, Your Honor, and I can call the paralegal and get her to testify, or you can summons her, and she can be under oath.
As
As
oh
far
my
as the
God.
text messages and everything like that, that did not come from me.
5 separate times she's tried to get me for stalking and harassing in Florida. One time here
Yes.
in
Do they have direct
Indiana.
knowledge of the matters in this case?
No, it's my mom and fiance.
Shit.
Gabby Jacobson pretends to be stalked and harassed online here on TikTok so that she can get sympathy from people to send her money,
And
all
they
while
live
frauding the
separately.
government.
Do you still want to call them?
I do.
Here
Please.
comes her mama.
We'll have to rule on relevancy. I'm not sure what they'll be
Here
testifying
comes
to.
Mimi.
You want to call first?
My mother,
And her name?
Patty
Patty what?
Reiner.
Okay.
Thanks. You don't have to thank me, hell, I'm clearing my name. Not even fake tears, just fake noises. He ain't done tearing her ass up either, just wait. Did you hear him laughing?
Can you come up here, please? All right. Could you raise your right hand? Do you swear
you.
or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right.
I'm
you
sure
come up
she's
here.
probably
You'll need
flipping
to speak
out.
loudly and into the microphone. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it was hard to have your name drugged knowing you're innocent.
Are you Patty Reiner?
Yes, I am.
Are you my mother?
Yes, I am. Only by adoption. I am your grandmother.
It'll be up on YouTube.
Have you heard Natasha Brown speaking ill of me on live?
Yes.
Oh wait, thank you. They catch Mimi perjuring herself too.
Have you heard her threaten my safety on live?
Yes.
Have you heard her say that she is going to take pictures of me outside the courtroom?
Yes.
Yep, already
Same
lying.
thing with Mrs. Laura Hardy, Patty.
That one I can't say correctly, and I'll tell you because they go by those names. And I know Natasha's.
Yes, it's the
screen
same.
name is what, I don't know what they call it. I'm not a.
Oh,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
On live streaming me and talked about my body part.
Objection. This is facts, not an evidence. Best evidence rule. Hearsay upon hearsay.
All right.
And leading.
Patty, have you gotten threats?
Objection. Leading.
Well, I'm going to overrule this point.
Yes, I have. May I speak on that point?
Is it related to this case?
Hang on, I'll open boxes up here in just a little bit.
When they became involved, when Natasha, I only know them as Brownie and Waffles, and so I really didn't know their actual names. But then I found it out when this all took place. When I first began, when Gabby moved to Florida,
Who's Gabby?
Karma
Gabby
gets
is
everybody.
sitting there.
Okay. She's the petitioner?
Yes, Gabrielle.
Okay.
When she first came to Florida, Cameron was a baby. And at that time, Gabby was a vet tech, had a very good job, had a good home, had a place to bring Cam.
This is all irrelevant, by the way.
Had a good life. Like everything that some can use, and I'm out of line, but COVID changed a lot of social behavior.
I'm going to object. This is irrelevant.
Okay, I'll move on.
Okay.
I'll move on to what the question was.
Which is, I believe, were you threatened?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge,
So,
I believe that
we're not here for that.
Okay, what was the question then?
She wanted to know if she was threatened. We're here for Gabriella Jacobson. We're not here for this. I don't even know who this person is.
I don't even know who
This
this
is one of
person
her
is.
actors on TikTok.
I don't know why she's
I have
crying.
not
She
never-
wanted
I
her
don't even
truth
have a
out.
TikTok.
She wanted to silence me.
Your Honor, I have no TikTok. Okay? I just want to say one thing.
Judge.
And I think that I feel like I should have that, being that these particular, Natasha especially, what she's done.
There's
when
no proof
Gabby
that
filed
anybody
her
done anything to
petition,
Gabby.
Up until that point, I was awoken almost every single night, up until 1 and 2 in the morning.
That's because your granddaughter's rage baiting on the internet.
Petition.
Okay.
And
They were going
for
to
the record,
come
Judge.
my place of employment.
For the record, she stated under oath.
And when you say she,
Gabriella Jacobson stated that this witness that's coming up next has no direct knowledge. And now, suddenly, she's got all this knowledge. So, which is it? And she's...
Mimi,
none of
that's
what she's
perjury,
talking about
babe.
is listed in any of
Whore of
the
Babylon.
injunctions. So it's beyond the scope, and she's already said that she has no direct knowledge.
okay. So we're
Okay,
here.
and I'll just explain that Natasha did dox my phone number online so that my number, not only my number, but my husband, who is mild dementia, was getting phone numbers.
I'm going to object. This is a narrative that's not relevant to...
Even though you see her name with her on doing all this?
Okay. Evidence-wise, how do you know that it was Natasha
That did it?
Brown?
Because it's her call name. Your Honor, the calls were very hard. And I will tell you that I tried to find somebody, but
She doesn't.
they have AI is so good that they can manipulate numbers.
Now
And
it's
so every
AI.
time I tried to call back, that number was blocked already, and then another number would appear, and another number.
Doesn't mean it was
I
me
think
or
that after
anybody else.
I have 14 grandchildren that are, and they were calling me and saying, Nana, people are putting stuff out there.
She made noise like she was crying. There was never any
And so-
tears.
I will say that I'm angry with the cause. I was threatened. My job was threatened. I've been 8 years in place. My children were threatened, but more than anybody, Cameron.
I'm going to object, Judge.
I just don't know what
Way
this
outside
has
the
to do with...
That's what he just said.
That he was doing cyber stuff, and her whole family is under the same thing. We're all being stalked.
Your Honor, that's why I put her name on the injunction. I put her name, I put my son's name, I put Aaron's
There's
name.
no proof of these allegations.
She's a
It is
grown
going to be
adult.
even
She wants
worse.
to file her own.
Right.
She could do it if she wishes.
Right. Okay.
Obviously under penalties of perjury.
All right. Well,
If Mimi files, it would be penalty of
I'm going to
perjury.
object to all of her testimony. It's irrelevant and
If Gabby refiles, it would be
not contained
penalty
in
of
the
perjury.
four corners of Ms.
It's going
Jacobs'
back down to the court.
Gabrielle
Gab's,
Jacobs'
oh my gosh,
petitions
guys.
against either Laura Harding or Natasha Brown.
Well, I guess I'm having problems with the evidentiary foundation has not been laid. You've indicated that you don't know the two respondents.
She
You
should have.
only know names Brownie and Waffles, I think you
right, well,
said.
this, Natasha, this is her on her picture. This is what she sends.
So just let the record reflect that the witness has given the middle finger to the court.
I have a picture of
Mimi
Natasha.
flipped the judge off.
That's my,
Oh my
favorite
God, 4
part.
million, you guys are
But
great.
because of the sophistication
I'm trying to
of
get
the
her on.
electronics, there's no showing here today that in fact Natasha Brown is the one posting this information.
Even though it's your face.
Did you hear what the judge ruled? There's no indication that it was us.
Your Honor, please.
Please, Judge,
No
just believe me,
evidentiary
Judge.
basis
You're welcome.
So what, okay.
Okay, I'm not here to explain evidence to you. So I'm going to sustain the objection.
Oh my God, 4 million, you guys. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
Just, if Ms. Jacobs is done, I'll ask her if you want cross. I think she is done.
Go ahead.
Miss, what's your name again?
Reiner.
Reiner. You're one of Miss Jacobs' actresses on her TikTok live
No,
stream.
that's AI being done on me.
Okay. Oh, so somebody else is doing something
Oh,
about you?
yeah. Me in the orange clothing, the prison garb with my face on it.
Yes, your daughter actually puts you on as you're like one of the extras that come on her show, right?
No, I don't even have a TikTok. I never watched it.
Right. And
She's never watched TikTok, but she just testified earlier she had firsthand knowledge and saw us do all these horrible things to Gabby here on TikTok. Oopsie.
and you go on TikTok with Miss Jacobson and you give everybody the middle finger, correct?
No, I've never given, I don't even swear.
Oh, you didn't call people all the names that are listed in here?
No. Oh, what names? What now? I think I need to be told what names that have been said.
Okay, you call people a bitch on there, the C word.
I've never used the C word.
And so how much do you get paid to be one of her actresses?
Oh, my word.
How much do you get paid?
Oh my word.
Nothing. I am her mother. I raised her.
Okay, and do you know about the letter with the law firm?
Yes.
Okay, and that's a real law firm?
Parts of it is.
No, Mimi's not
Parts of it-
going.
Parts of it is.
The
Oh, Mimi just said only parts of the law firm is real.
ones that I know. I know the woman that she's been in contact with.
Okay, you know
I know her. I know her only by name. I'm going to state that correctly. I know her only by name. I have not met her.
You know Victoria
So she
Quintero,
gave up on the
the
Lego.
paralegal?
Her mother called me.
Her mother
She's
called.
talking about
Yes.
Coco.
And this is a real law firm. Correct?
I mean,
Her mother called me.
I don't know. I might bring her into the vet and make sure she's okay.
can you hear
I'm
any
gonna
of
give you
Gabby?
24 hours to cool down. Like, what the fuck do they do to her, bro?
Oh, she's gonna sue the vet.
One out? No. It's okay. Mama's here.
Oh.
Why are you being like this? It's okay. Coco, what happened? It's okay. You're home, dude.
Oh, you're not gonna be able to see.
Either you're really pissed off at
I
us,
can't.
you're depressed. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got my son. I'm coming. Come on, Coco. I'm coming.
She only paused, but Cam was screaming. She only paused. She didn't end.
Because she recognized Gabrielle and Danielle as the people that used to go to a karaoke bar in Illinois.
Objection. My mom has not been in contact
She
with
objected to
Victoria or
her
the law
own
firm.
witness.
It was between me and Victoria. The only thing is that Victoria's mother was the only one who was reaching out to her.
She could stop the witness's cross, but
Right.
She objected.
She's given sworn testimony, so we need to continue with her testimony.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yes, I only know that her mother
She
called me.
She
I
got
don't
off
know,
to
but it happened.
take care of her child.
Marcus's response is in 4, asking that, or 5.
I believe it's 4. Okay, 4.
I'm asking for Marcus 4. I'm asking you at that time. Do you recognize it?
Yes, I recognize it.
How do you recognize it?
I don't know how you do that.
She actually finished it?
Let me see how much longer we got.
No, I never.
Oh my gosh, we got a long time to go.
I might have seen it in her.
Should we do part 2 tomorrow night so we can stretch out the crash out? Or do you want to just keep going?
Well, since birth. I have 5 children I gave birth to.
Okay.
My daughter that gave birth to these twins.
I put it
had a
on,
stroke.
sped it up a little
Okay,
bit.
So, all this TikTok stuff, you take no part of this.
No, because I don't like it.
Okay. Because your daughter does it for money, correct?
That is her choice. She is a grown woman.
Okay, she does it for money, correct?
She's a grown woman. So does all TikTokers.
Does your daughter, Gabrielle Jacobs?
I don't know. I don't see the money, and I don't know about the money. I told you, it is not my concern. She's 30-some years old, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. All right, make sure you sit down. All right, and do you want to call your other witness?
My
All right?
fiance,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nope, here goes
Aaron
the...
Bradley.
I played the field.
Sure.
That's what I've been trying to say. This is where she gets the lion from.
Just for the record, Judge, I'm going to move to strike this witness. She stated earlier that they had no direct knowledge, so I just want that noted for the record.
The last witness or this witness?
Both of them. She said no direct knowledge.
All right. All right,
So we're going to let them testify, but all of their testimony has been stricken from record.
All right, could you come up here? And I'll take your motion under advisement.
Thank you, Judge.
So he testifies in the way of proper. All right, go ahead, please.
How you doing? My name is Aaron Bradley.
Aaron, have you seen Natasha Brown and Laura Harding cyber stalking me and talking about me while I'm on a live stream?
Objection, compound, and leading.
All right. Sustained. You need to break it down.
Hey, sorry. Aaron, have you witnessed
Thank you.
Natasha Brown doxing my phone number and address on a live stream?
Objection, compound, and leading.
Objection, is that within my injunction of doxing my address?
I don't even know what a doxing is.
It means that she posted my address and phone
She
number
can't
to
testify.
thousands of people.
See, this is where the judge was lenient.
That would establish that he has direct knowledge that...
Well, they felt a little bad for her, so they were giving her every opportunity, as long as she
I'm
followed.
sorry, what?
I mean, what I'm hearing is that there's post, but I also know with electronics, just because it appears to be someone doesn't mean that person is actually doing the post. So...
Did you hear what the judge told her? Just because it appears that somebody's doing it doesn't mean that that's that person doing the post. The judge is done with her shit.
Oh, I think they are. I think they
Oh
are
my God, 5 million. You guys are awesome.
giving Coco meds
Thank you,
as
guys.
well.
So is Natasha Brown the one that doxed my address?
Objection calls for facts, not in evidence, and speculation. He has never met my client.
Okay. Okay, you're going to have to lay a foundation as to how he would know that.
Little TikTok Believe me, TikTok.
Mimi was
I can cry. You
demonstrating
can
flipping the
believe me.
finger. Brownie's profile pic.
I have a picture of Natasha Brown on her account. I also have a live stream of her account, Brownie, of her actually, her picture, her face, her voice. It's her.
It's her. It is.
I promise.
I promise.
I'm going to sustain the objection.
Thank you.
Aaron, have you witnessed Natasha talking about my mother and about me?
Okay. That's a question. Have you observed? Yes or no?
Yes.
And how do you know that it's Natasha?
Because if she were to talk right now, I'd be able to identify the voice.
Well, see, Gabby just said it was a bad judge, but this judge took over questioning poor little lying twat waffle. Isn't that weird? But she's a bad judge. Didn't give her any chance. She can turn the recording over to whoever she likes. This is not anything to do with what
it's
she's
some bad
saying.
luck for this
Oh, well, is
judge
she
to be
mad about
filling
it?
in.
Just because they're gifting me, it still doesn't make anything I'm doing here illegal.
Okay, so
It's a random voice that he's heard.
Okay.
This is...
Okay. I'm going to sustain the objection. And do you have any questions or?
I have one.
All right.
Aaron, have you seen a picture of the defendant on TikTok of her username to identify if that is her?
Jesus
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, she thought she proved something.
Just briefly,
Prove that it's her.
How much money do you and Gabrielle Jacobson make on TikTok exploiting people?
Exploiting people. We don't exploit anybody.
You and Gabrielle create live stream.
I just want to say something. That use of the word exploiting people
Yeah,
on TikTok,
I need the
he used
violin.
that on purpose. Remember, Attorney General's behind us.
Correct?
Oh my God.
She does. I don't.
And you
Yeah,
she puts
Gabby
graphics out
exploits
there
people.
for people to see so they can send gifts, right?
Not on TikTok.
She puts it on other social media platforms.
No, people ask her, private message her about her address.
So she's communicated with random people online so they can send gifts to your house, correct?
Well, we've also made wish lists on Amazon where that address is private.
Okay, so she has actually made contact with unknown people on TikTok to get them to send things to your address, correct?
Can you rephrase that?
Okay.
Rephrase.
She has made contact with random strangers on TikTok as part of her live stream, correct?
Yeah, but doesn't everybody do that?
No, I have a real job, but I'll end.
So do I. But
So how much money does she make per person? Is it $2.99,
Drop the mic.
$5.99 per month for her subscription?
honestly, I don't know.
Well, you're married to her, right?
Okay.
So you know how much money is coming in from her TikTok business.
She doesn't know how much money is coming in from my regular job.
Isn't he an asshole?
You're sitting here under oath and you don't know how much money she makes off of TikTok
It's
posting.
different every week.
How much is it on a given week?
Maybe $100, if that.
$100 per week? That's what
Oh
you're
my
saying
God,
here
guys,
under
thank
oath.
you.
Yeah. You know what, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask you to do a continuance for this? Because I feel like this is unfair and she needs to get a lawyer.
Okay.
I agree.
You're not the litigant, and so you don't have standing to make that request. But do you have any further questions?
Do you know that she's exploited your son on TikTok for money?
Your Honor, is it okay if I say I don't want any further questions?
You want to take the fifth? You want it? Do you know about her letter to the law firm? The law firm letter?
Yeah, and it's a real letter.
Oh, really? That's
It's a
what
real
you're
letter.
to the lawyer?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Oh.
Can I approach the witness? This is respondents 1 and respondents 2. I can show you respondents 1 and respondents 2.
Now, the judge will address them both requesting an attorney. They filed this in October of 2024. This hearing was on January 28th of this year. If she needed an attorney, she had plenty of time to hire an attorney.
Oh,
But you know why she didn't? 'Cause she had no evidence and nobody would take her fucking case. Gabby claims her content is mom content. No, Gabby's content is her slandering and pretending to be cyberstalked and harassed on this app for the last however long she's been on here. Nobody is stalking and harass her. Has she pissed people off where they've left her mean DMs or whatever? Probably. Have they ever been me? Fuck no. But Gabby's content is to lie and rage bait about other creators. That's her content, being a liar and exploiting her child here on the internet.
Well, I can see this one was messed with.
Do you recognize the letter?
Yeah, okay.
Do you recognize it?
Okay.
Do you recognize it?
Yes, I do.
Which lawyer from that law firm was
Yes, ma'am.
who did you speak to?
Well, we've done everything.
You remember, right?
You're right,
Yeah, they were
retired
emailed to
grandma.
her.
You're right.
Which lawyer at Steinfeld and Francis Law office did you speak to?
Well, I do know that she was talking to Victoria,
Which
who
lawyer?
represents them.
You just stated under oath you spoke to a lawyer at that firm. Which lawyer at that firm did you speak to?
Judge,
And the reason he is dissecting everything is because the Attorney General has got her ass under investigation for multiple forms of fraud, not just practicing law without an attorney or without a license.
Someone asked earlier in chat what happened to that attorney general. I assume it just got dropped because it wasn't a priority, but I don't know
But
for sure.
that takes time. So when she sits there and say, "Wouldn't I be arrested by now?"
It is going to be worse.
She should ask Slot how long that took for fraud investigations to go down.
Right, horse
I'm not answering any
growth.
further questions.
Exactly. I'm here for
Beanhead
here
was at least
for
smart
it.
enough to know he backed his ass up into something.
In the event that you would incriminate yourself.
what does that mean?
What does?
Well,
I just don't want to answer any questions. I'd rather get a lawyer. Because how is this fair that you are here from...
How is it fair that you and Gabby get to lie and threaten multiple other creators, Aaron, and drag us into court across multiple states? How is that fair, Beanhead?
from people that are from a whole different state, and she has no lawyer.
She chose to do this little skit.
Ms. Jacobson create that letter?
No.
And if you're under oath, which lawyer did you speak to regarding?
Objection. Objection.
Okay, what is the objection? Just say the ground.
So no one has talked, well,
Okay,
okay.
wait, no, you can't give testimony.
I haven't talked to anybody from that law firm.
Testified, he talked to a lawyer. Did you talk to a lawyer from that firm?
Yep, he
Well, I
is
thought
just as
Victoria
guilty.
worked for that law firm. That's what I was under circumstances.
Who was the lawyer you spoke to?
Said I thought Victoria was the lawyer.
He thought Vicky was
That's
the
a
lawyer.
lie.
Oopsie.
Yeah.
He thought Victoria was a lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's a real law firm.
From what I understood, yes.
How do you understand?
That's what I've been told.
Okay. And you've seen that law firm?
No, how would I have seen it?
Did you go to
Oh my
the law
God.
firm?
No.
The only person that told you that was a real law firm is Jeff.
They will be charged.
Right?
No.
Who else told you that's a real law firm?
Other people?
Who?
Victoria, Jen.
Victoria Quintero, the name of the
Yeah.
person on there? She said that's a real law firm?
Yeah.
And you spoke to Victoria Quintero?
Yeah.
And when did you speak to her?
I've spoken to her quite a few
No.
times.
On what phone?
On my own phone.
What's your phone?
I'm not giving that out in court.
Okay. You claim that you spoke to Victoria Quintero on your phone regarding the legal situation here.
Yes.
And she is, you testified under oath, she's a paralegal that you spoke to at that law firm.
I'm just going off of what I have been told by her and Gabriella.
Did you speak to Victoria Quintero about the legal license in that law firm?
In the piece of paper,
Yeah, the cease and desist letter. Talk to her.
Hello.
I just knew that she emailed it to Gabby and then told her to print it out and send it to them.
Did you talk to Victoria Quintero about that, about this?
No,
Cease and desist.
not the letter,
What
no.
did you talk to Victoria Quintero about?
They're building an investigation. See, when an investigation is simple, it could take up 5 to 6 months, right? We're right about that time frame now. But the more complex a case that the Attorney General is looking into, meaning multiple people crossing multiple state lines, that takes more time.
It's going to have to be
So,
early.
not had quite enough.
My understanding is the hearing with Zenny is at 11, and Gabby has said that her ADA hearing is back to back. So I don't know what time that is. We're going to have we'll have the agenda ready by tomorrow.
Time to go through everything, and plus she continues to fake documents on a daily basis.
You can't make this up.
It's called entitlement.
Do I have to answer that?
But, yes.
She's a scammer. She got the right one this time, though.
Just about everything that's going on and
Wrong chat.
that things need to be done because
funny.
seeing her the way she is, that something needs to be done about this.
Keep her ass
So she
offline.
said that
Make her stop
Oh,
lying on
ADA.
people.
write up a cease and desist letter and then email it to her and then she would send it out.
So you talked to Victoria Quintero specifically about the cease and desist letter that you just saw earlier?
Yes.
And she said she was going to write it up and send it to your wife?
Yes. Okay. To send it out, yes.
All right, that's all I have. Thank you.
All right, you can sit down. Okay. At this juncture, there's no additional witnesses for the petitioner.
Yeah, I wonder
So
what
we
she'll
consider
do.
The case is rested. Counsel, how do you wish to proceed?
I would like to do a continuance so I could get a lawyer.
Okay. That motion is untimely and it's denied.
Okay.
Denied her motion for a turn. She wanted a lawyer.
For certain purposes. But it's been pending since October.
May I inquire briefly, Your Honor?
Yes.
Ms. Brown, Ms. Harding, I'm going to show you a disc that you saw yesterday in the office. Do you recall that disc?
Yes.
The thumb drive?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know what that thumb drive contains?
Recordings of her that she has put on the internet, TikTok specifically.
Objection. Objection. I have videos as well that I would like to show as well.
She gets really mad that we get to present our evidence about her and she didn't get to present. Yeah.
Foundation.
Courtrooms have procedure, babe.
Have you seen Gabriella Jacobson post
Thank you.
videos of herself for profit?
Yes.
And has she
Have someone help her with her words, but that person can't speak for her. That's an attorney.
Yes.
Okay, and that goes for both Laura Harding as Natasha Brown.
Yes.
Have you seen both? Have you seen the same person that's sitting in this courtroom, Gabrielle Jacobson, post these videos online regarding fake threats that were made to her?
Yes.
As well as creating fake drama for profit?
Yes.
Objection. Hearsay.
Thank you, Rick.
Counsel, within your questioning is fake drama, so I don't know if there's a conclusion. Yes, I think.
Have you seen videos in here, the videos that we have here that were marked for evidence for today?
Thank you,
do they relate to are they Gabriella Jacobson online posting on TikTok?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yeah, the judge.
you've seen her post videos online on TikTok?
Yeah.
Gabby made her submitted her motion or request for an ADA accommodation, and the judge set a hearing rather than approve or deny it. So that's what's prior. It has to be done prior to the 11A.
Yes.
Okay. And is it the same person that is in this courtroom that filed this injunction? That's the same person that are contained in these videos?
Yes.
Is she the same person that's talking in these videos?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time I'd ask to mark this thumb drive as Defense Exhibit 5.
All right. All right. Do you
There's
want
just so much footage of her acting
No, what I'm saying
cocky.
is that this is
that
what
she's
Brown
coming
has
in
done,
hot.
Natasha Brown has done to me and Laura. It's not vice versa. They're not the ones that are getting order protection. I am. So I would
it's
like
bad
to.
for
I
her.
don't want this to happen. It's not about them. It's about me. And so I have proof of Natasha speaking and.
Your Honor, I'm a freaking narcissist. It's all about me. Judge, it's all about me. Me. Okay, Jan, shut
A
up.
picture of her knowing that is her account and what she's done and threatened me, how she wants to take pictures of me is all recorded in the last couple of days. And she
I
goes,
will be
I'm taking
available
you down.
Wednesday.
All right, counsel, how do you want to respond?
Your Honor, her objection is nonsensical. I've laid the foundation for these
Thank you.
videos to come in. They've authenticated the videos. They've watched them. They are true and accurate videos of what she's posted online.
Did you get to see the clam slam, I think?
As well as about these false threats that she's claiming about here. She's doing this for financial.
Objection. Again, it's irrelevant to this case.
Her getting online and saying that she's not scared and that she doesn't know who's...
Objection. Hearsay. I never mentioned any names.
Okay.
And she's already denied this, so this is also collateral evidence.
Okay. As I'm seeing the distinction here is what the respondent is attempting to introduce is videos of you posting online. You're not disputing that is you, and so the foundation is you posted that and is out there for everyone to see.
Talk about me. I have that song. That'll be our theme song.
Of Ms. Harding.
Wednesday.
But I believe through the questioning, they're denying that they're doing this, and there's no proof that what you're seeing is actually posted by the respondent.
It is true, Your Honor.
Okay.
See, look, she's arguing with the
we
judge.
denied making any threats. She's saying, oh, yes, they did. But she has no
good,
proof.
Candace.
She doesn't understand that.
It is
Objection,
true.
hearsay, irrelevant.
Very much so.
Exhibit 5 into evidence, and offer it as it's just published to the jury.
Objection, hearsay,
Objection,
irrelevant.
sorry.
It's about
How long
me.
is it?
They're short clips, Judge.
Okay.
There's a total of 7 clips I could play in there.
All right.
I did.
Yeah, see, we've already been in here for over an hour with this judge. She's over it. It's about lunchtime. You can see the times right over here. She's had enough of the bullshit.
Make a request for the AV,
Yeah.
but they, Mr. Murdoch
Giving
said-
somebody time to get themselves
Your Honor, this is
gathered,
to be allowed.
that
Can
kind
I
of.
show evidence as well too? Please.
Okay, ma'am, again, the foundation is, and I believe,
It's a good question. Who's
I
watching?
think you've argued this, counsel.
We have.
Could you explain again your argument as to why her documents should not come into evidence?
Those documents were not properly authenticated. They were all hearsay. She can't say who created them, when they were created them, and on top of that, they're outside the scope of the injunction. These videos.
She went in there, same with Hippie Harley, went in there expecting the court to run IP addresses to confirm what she was sure of. And no matter how many times the judge said, she's not there to present the case or authenticate evidence, she didn't get
The
it.
actual injunction. It's what she posted during
Cut your-
the pendency of this
Ooh,
injunction.
pineapple jalapeno
Regarding
jam sounds really good.
Okay, so we need to wrap this up. I will review the video. If you can bring it, or can you turn it just so that we can see it or both hear it?
My clients have seen it.
And then you have the thumb drive to introduce it to evidence.
Your Honor, can I say one more thing? Please. What these ladies have done to me has put me in a very significant amount
I put it on a
of
charger.
emotional distress of what they've done to me on social media. And I just really think that this is unfair because they did not come here and do an injunction against me.
Right.
And I feel like this is not fair.
Gabby, but see, we have a right to defend ourselves against the false allegations you've made against us. That's how court works. You don't get to just go in there and tell your bullshit lies and put us in jail, honey.
Wow. Interesting.
If this was against me, I would understand why they could play these videos. If I can't show, I have evidence and proof that this is Natasha.
You have to follow
I'm the one that's
procedure,
saying
Gabby.
Oh, I'm the one that they are threatening me. I have never once threatened Natasha. I've never once have done anything to her like they have done to me.
All right.
The judge has all the videos of her pointing her little pointer finger at the
No, you're right. We've
thing
been
and telling him she wants him in
listening
the
for
ring.
honey.
That we should pull up. Judge has already seen that shit. But here.
Someone just threatened me that I didn't want me dead. What happened to you, honey? Were you scared? No, I'm not scared. Someone just threatened me that I didn't.
Okay. And in this video, Ms. Brown, there are people that look like they're writing in. You know what that is all about?
That is her comment section. Those are people that send her gifts, send her money.
And as part of her, if you pay money to her,
Thank you, guys.
you're allowed to write into her video, which you just saw.
Yes.
Okay. So she profits from somebody.
Can I object?
I can't go back.
Does she profit from posting a video about someone threatening her and then saying she's not scared and the people writing? Is this something that you are aware of that she profits from?
Yes.
What?
Oh my God, thank you, guys.
Someone just threatened me that I didn't want me dead. What happened? I'm not scared.
Oh my God, thank you. They're playing the video of where she is claiming someone threatened her and she's in the box with Plaka. And she tells Plaka she's not scared.
Someone just threatened me that I didn't.
Go to the next video, which is labeled video 1.
Thank you, guys.
You made her report? I sure did. What did they say? They decided to hand it to my attorney and take it to the judge.
She's claiming to have an attorney and she's taking it to the judge.
Right. So I'm done. I am done. Do you know where it is? No. You're gonna listen. I don't have an idea. I have hundreds of people.
Thank you, mods.
Going after me for that.
And did you, Ms. Brown, is that a video she also posted online regarding hundreds of people saying things about her allegedly and she has no idea?
That sound is my CD drive I had to get to play this.
And Ms. Hardy, you've seen that video as well? She posted, Ms. James posted that online?
Yes. Yes.
I'll show you now it's more video too.
Where are you coming?
Thank
You
you.
your mommy?
Yeah, she just told Plaka she had an attorney and she was sending it straight to the judge.
The audience had to become in one of her videos.
Yes.
Okay, so kids watch this.
Yes.
Can I object to this? This is irrelevant, and that's not the truth. That's disgusting, Your Honor. Please, that's not what happened.
It's her claim
Nailed it,
slamming what she's
Pancake.
calling
You
disgusting.
nailed
One of
it.
the videos is the gangster Gabby.
Yes.
You recall seeing that?
Yes.
Can I see that video?
Yes.
Please, can I see that video? I need to see it.
No, it's going to be shown and it's going to be entered into. I know he's a great one.
And then
I don't want to be violent. I'm sorry.
And then there's one that's called Bipolar Gabby. Is that one that she posted? And then is that one where her and her twin sister are giving a middle finger to everyone?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. What they have done to me has been significantly...
And this is one where she posted...
This evidence goes to motive, bias, impeachment.
Yes.
So it's all relevant.
And then the one where the clam slam.
Mind you, objection, a clam slam is what Natasha has called it first.
It's a high kick into a split, but no.
She calls the clam slam.
Your Honor, this is bringing bad memories. Can we just move on to... It's making me, I'm sorry, I just can't...
I forgot about that. It's bringing bad memories.
He's making it just seem like... No, I don't. It's called a high kick into a split. It's just entertaining.
It's just entertaining.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting, Gabby, but it's your content.
Yes.
Social media is for 18 years and up, and I have it on my TikTok account for 18 years and up. That is disgusting for you to say that I would do that.
But you did do that. You did do that, Gabby. You're disgusting, right?
She claimed to be pregnant at one point, but wasn't pregnant. Has she had sex with her boyfriend, her husband online?
Objection! Objection!
You have that video.
All right, you want me to rewind
What
that?
happened?
It's her clam slamming what she's calling disgusting.
One of her videos says the gangster Gabby.
Yes.
Do you recall seeing that?
Yes.
Can I see that video?
Yes.
Please, can I see that video? I need to see it, like...
No, it's going to be shown, and it's going to be entered into... I know he's a great one.
And then
I don't want to be violent, I'm sorry.
And then there's one that's called Bipolar Gabby. Is that one that she posted? And then is that one where her and her twin sister are giving a middle finger to everyone?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. What they have done to me has been significantly...
And this is one where she posted...
This evidence goes to motive, bias, impeachment.
Yes.
So it's all relevant.
And then the one where the clam slam.
Mind you, objection, a clam slam is what Natasha has called it first.
It's a high kick into a split, but no.
She calls the clam slam.
Your Honor, this is bringing bad memories. Can we just move on to... It's making me, I'm sorry, I just can't listen to it anymore.
Well, this is stuff that you're posting.
Yes, but it's not what he's making it to seem like. No, I don't. It's called a high kick into a split. It's just entertaining.
It's just entertaining.
It's going to be worse on Wednesday.
It is disgusting, Gabby, but it's your content.
Yes.
Social media is for 18 years and up, and I have it on my TikTok account for 18 years and up. That is disgusting for you to say that I would do that.
But you did do that. You did do that, Gabby. You're disgusting, right?
Can we just move on? It's bringing back memories. Bad memories.
Objection! Objection!
Do you have that video, sir?
I don't want to show that.
Okay, all right.
The judge wanted to see the sex online where she had sex with Aaron.
Video number 2. I'm going to move to video number 3. Video number 3.
Objection, this is irrelevant to this case.
Gets a message.
This is irrelevant to this case.
Okay, I don't know what it is yet. Counsel, what does this video show?
This is Miss Jacobson threatening her people online, saying "game on, bitch."
Didn't she say she didn't
That was
just
not
threaten us?
towards the defendants. Objection, irrelevant. I never said names. I've never mentioned any names. That was objection, irrelevant. I did not mention any names.
Okay. But what these videos are showing is that you're stating you don't know who's doing this threatening. You're done. But
Mimi's
then you're coming into court
delusional.
today and saying that you know it's these two people.
She's
but there's no
hopeless.
evidence to show that it's these two people.
Your Honor, when I was on live, I didn't want to call the names out. So I kept it to myself.
It's
Judge
a
is
statement
full.
that you've made.
Because when I had the
See, Judge is mad
letter,
now.
the C&D letter,
Okay.
I couldn't talk to them.
We need to wrap up. You keep saying the same thing, but it's not a legal objection.
Okay.
So this is video 3 for the purpose of the recording today.
Okay. What's number 4?
The one I just showed is one where she says "game on, bitch," and she threatened her.
Yeah, the judge is hangry.
I'm done.
Okay, where she went from "game on, bitch," laughing to crying, and that was on her TikTok video number. Video number 4 is another one of her with her twin sister.
Okay. 36. We're down to
Miss
36.
Brown, Miss Hardy. Is that on the left? Is that Miss?
2 sleeps in 36 hours.
You've seen her on TikTok?
Yes.
Is that her twin sister on the right?
Yes.
Yeah, I got blocked, Jackie.
So I can speed it up for the court instead of getting into some verbal altercation for the audience.
Objection, conflicts of interest.
Conflict
That's my
of interest.
sister. And this has nothing to do with that case. This case, so please.
Conflict of interest.
Because this is my sister and this conflict of interest. I'm going to object, irrelevant. It has nothing to do with this case, Your
Yes,
Honor.
same judge.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, it's overruled. Go ahead, counsel. Next.
It's almost done. It's about a minute 50 left.
Thank you, guys. No need to do that. Thank you. I just want the truth out there. The real truth. Where she's threatening and stuff. Thank you.
Objection to this. The reason why that video is being played is because with TikTok and the two chats, they have torn me and my sister apart with lies.
This is not an objection.
This is irrelevant. Reasons.
Remember, she's been at the law library, people.
Thank you all very much. I'm just trying not to thank you all so you can hear it, but I appreciate everything.
Ms. Brown, is this part of her TikTok acting to make money?
Yes.
Same question. Sorry.
While she's crying. That is
I'm just
relevant.
saying my name. Doing what everybody should do.
Absolutely. She needs inpatient mental health.
Especially if you've been falsely accused. You should always clear your name. Thank you guys.
Move to the, I went to video number 5.
Here's the...
That's the serial killer
Objection,
one.
Your Honor. He's a minor. Please.
Ma'am, you're posting this all over social media.
You're right. I have on a private account.
The comments are in there.
Thank you.
Paying money.
Yes.
And that's for telling people that bipolar.
Yes.
She's no that
Objection. That's not towards my son. Nope. That's not. Objection. That's not going towards. I remember this video. Okay.
Look how cocky she gets when she thinks she finds something. That's
Objection. That was nope. Those videos are nope. I need to see them, please, because I remember those videos. Those are not what I said. So please. Your Honor, can I see that video, please? Because that is not. I need to see that video, please.
Show her the video.
I
She's
need to
saying
see
she's
that.
Talking about her son, but then we need to finish up.
Yes, sir.
what's happening over
Y'all
there.
heard the judge gave her every opportunity, coddled her throughout the whole thing, but once she started seeing Gabrielle, the real Gabrielle, the liar, she'd had enough.
Okay, pause it.
Can I finish putting in my evidence?
Go ahead.
Yeah, just objection.
Here's what's going through my mind, and I'm trying not to think about it, but I'm thinking, like a serial killer. Is it wrong for thinking that? That's a bad thing for a mom to say to her kid.
So when she's talking about her kid being a serial killer, did you see how many people were commenting?
Yes.
And have you ever seen this live?
Yes.
Okay, how much money does someone like this with all the people that follow her?
Tens of thousands.
Oh, thank you guys.
Is she making by streaming this?
Thousands.
Tens of thousands?
Yeah, that was a
Thousands. You can
stretch.
check-
Tens of
Yeah, there's
thousands.
websites you can go to see how much she makes from that.
Okay, Ms. Brown, you can see how much money she makes from TikTok?
Yes.
Is your testimony is tens of thousands?
Yes, it is.
And Ms. Hardy,
Really?
is your testimony
Yep.
tens of thousands?
Tens of thousands.
I'm going to show you the last one, video number 6. She's making a sexual thing with her vagina online. Is that something she posts online to make money as well?
Yes, it is.
Is that something?
Yeah, she's made that much.
I'm not sure,
Yes, it
actually.
is.
It's a good question.
Is that her video number 6?
Yes.
Working with a vagina?
Yes.
And that's something her followers could watch as well?
Yes.
As well as open to the public for kids or anybody else who wants to.
Objection. It's not for kids. It's 18 years and older.
That's all I have.
That was wrong for kids, but no.
How old was Anthony and Emily, Gabby, when they were there? Barely 18?
Now, Your Honor, can I show you my evidence?
Okay.
No, ma'am, your turn is over.
He's in his case and sheet.
I'm almost done, Judge.
All right.
Last couple quick. Ms. Brown, I'm going to ask this in a row if I could. Ms. Brown, you first. Where do you live?
Ohio.
Have you ever met Gabriella Jacobson in person?
No, I have not.
Do you have any relationship with her?
No, I do not.
Did you ever send her a text message?
No, I
Did
have
you ever
not.
send her anything on Facebook?
No, I have not.
Did you ever call her on the phone?
No, I
Did
have
you ever
not.
FaceTime with her?
No, I have not.
Did you ever send her any message on social media?
No, I have not.
What do you know about her from watching her on social media?
That she performs for money.
Ms. Harding, I'm going to ask you some questions now. Where do you live?
Indiana.
And how And have you ever met this person, Gabrielle Jacobson, in person?
No, sir, I have not.
Did you have any relationship with her?
No, sir, I do not.
Did you ever send her a text message?
No, sir, I have not.
We're
Did you
almost
ever send
done.
her a Facebook message?
No, sir, I have not.
Did you ever call her on the phone?
No, sir, I have
Did you
not.
ever FaceTime with her?
No, sir, I have not.
Did you ever send her any message directly on social media?
No, sir, I have not ever sent her anything.
And she filed a similar stalking injunction against you in what
That's
state?
a really good
Indiana,
question.
Monroe County.
And were you there when that hearing
Irrelevant.
took place in front of a judge?
Yes, I was.
Okay, what happened in that case?
She had no evidence to all the accusations and it was denied.
Was it the same type of
Yes, sir,
evidence
it
that
was
you...
pretty much the exact same evidence.
Everything that you heard here, was it the same thing that she brought in Indiana?
Yes, sir.
And it was, when you were there, it was denied as well?
Denied.
I was a witness for her. I thought as well.
I have nothing further.
If you want to question either of these two witnesses as to what they testified to, they kept it within, you'd say, within the scope of their testimony.
Natasha, have you ever
Thank
talked
you.
about me on a live stream?
Objection, Your Honor, the relevance. Yes.
Overruled, but you need to make your question more specific.
All right,
Because
Laura.
obviously she's talking, I would assume she's talking to her attorney, so.
Correct. Laura Harding, have you ever went on live and spoke about Cameron and called and I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. Laura Harding, do you remember the time that you went on live and you said or you stated that you were going to stomp me in a mud puddle?
Objection.
No, I do not. Okay. Natasha Brown, do you remember a couple days ago threatening that you were to take pictures outside of the courtroom and then you have to get you were going to go in the courtroom first, and then if I walk past you, that I would, that you can see if I could smell like tuna and corn chips.
No.
Okay, I have it on
I don't
recording. Natasha Brown.
I don't believe for a second that Brownie didn't remember that.
Remember?
I don't buy that one.
Hold on. That you're talking about my undergarment.
She's really mad right now.
That you called me a twat waffle and a cunt.
Objection, Your Honor, compound beyond the scope.
Okay, well, I'm going to overrule. Can you answer the question?
No.
Okay, I have it on recording. And Laura Harding, have you ever posted pictures of my son on a social media or Discord?
No, I have not.
Okay, I have proof of that, Your Honor. Natasha Brown, have you ever remember live streaming me and telling everyone that I'm the worthless piece of shit on earth and I'm going to pay for what I'm going to do?
No.
Okay, I have it on recording. Hey, Natasha, do you remember when you were on live a couple days ago when you said, what was the goal into the community? To take the twins down and shut them up. Do you remember that, Natasha Brown?
No, I don't.
I have it on recording. Natasha Brown, do you remember, do you recall a
This
picture
is
of
so
you with your middle
embarrassing.
finger above your nose, stating that I just got off the phone with the attorney. You're going down.
No.
I have that on recording. Laura Harding, have you ever spoke about Cameron's IEP?
Objection, Judge, this is beyond the scope.
I have it on evidence.
Cameron, I know Cameron.
That's my son.
Okay, and it's beyond the scope of the injunction. Cameron's not mentioned in here.
Okay. She can answer the question. I mean, your client's made a denial.
Yeah.
Go ahead, answer the question.
What was the question?
What was the question?
The question, Laura Harding, the question was, have you ever posted a picture of his IEP paperwork and spoke about his IEP and made a joke out of it?
No, I have not.
Never
Natasha
made a joke
and
out
Laura,
of it.
Have you ever
could not
went
have
on a live stream, talked about that my son was not autistic, stating
Every word in this sentence is important, by the way.
that you have no evidence of that?
No.
I have it on recording. Natasha and Laura, how long have you been watching me on TikTok for?
Around a year.
Laura and Natasha, how long, I'm sorry, do you know me in person or is it just social media?
Social media.
So tell me this, how do you know my real life? How do you know what things I say and what I actually do? Everything is on social media. It's just what you see. But can you tell me why you go on live and spread false rumors on live about me when you have no evidence, no facts? Natasha, have you ever stated...
Let me answer the question.
Oh, sorry.
I don't understand the question. She has several in that statement.
My objection is compound.
Natasha, do you recall when you were trying to leave here for the airport and you stayed on a live stream and you said there's no way in hell I'm going to let Gabby win?
Nope.
I have it on recording. Natasha Brown, have you spoke about my private parts and my body parts?
No.
I have that on recording as well. Laura Harding, do you remember when you stated on Discord
Yeah,
that you said would
that would
anyone
have
feel
been
bad if she was hit by a
trauma
friend
dots.
asking for a friend?
No, I do not.
I have that screenshot and a proof that it's her.
I'm going to object to her commentary after the fact.
Yes.
Finally.
It's
One more question.
It's completely improper.
One more question. Laura Harding, do you remember a video?
I moved to strike her comments after the question, after the answer.
That would be granted.
Thank you.
Okay, last question you said.
Laura Harding, do you remember that you stated online that you were going to record me with in here and on outside of the TikTok? I'm sorry, outside of the courtroom.
No, I do not.
I have it on recording.
She just got scolded for the.
Okay. I think we need to go to closing.
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, do you have a motion?
I have a motion to dismiss, Judge.
Okay.
There's been insufficient facts. There's nothing. There's no evidence in the record whatsoever that Ms. Brown and Ms. Harding wrote anything about her, said anything about her. They don't even know her. And she's admitted herself she doesn't even know them. So there's no imminent fear of anything. They live in Ohio and in Indiana, and she dragged these people down here
Dismiss.
with a fake injunction.
Granted.
So I have a motion to dismiss, and I have another motion after that. But there's no
My
evidence
attorney fees,
to suggest
granted.
either of my clients had done anything. The temporary had previously been not granted by this court, and she has not presented anything new that should sway this court
Oh,
to
this
grant
judge
any
was
type of relief
patient.
to her. This has been nothing more than of a frivolous injunction for her own monetary gain.
All right. Then I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss.
And I have a motion for attorney's fees, Judge. Under 57.105, I'd ask for sanctions. I understand the court has to make certain findings. I could file.
And what did the court do? Granted it.
Regarding that,
And-
if the court
and
wishes due to the late hour.
She refuses
but
to
I
try
am
to
gonna ask that the court
comprehend
consider it under
why it's
57.105
not
because she's
evidence.
filed frivolous injunctions in this courthouse. She's got another one pending. She's got 5 in this courthouse that she's filed. These are the first 2. There's another one coming up in April, and there's 2 that I
I
can't
was
see
just
because they're
gonna say that.
confidential because she's trying to have these people served in another state. This is an abuse of the system. She is doing this for monetary gain, and I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask the court for attorney's fees. If I could allow the court, leave the court time to just file the motion and argue it, and schedule a hearing date for that.
Okay.
Your Honor, one more thing. I understand what I submitted in the injunction, but I was also told by the DV court that I have more evidence and videos that I could be able to show you to prove that it was Natasha and to prove what she is doing and what she's threatening. Everything that he is saying is not true. I have everything right here to prove that this is her.
Okay. All right. Then, so the court would, grant your motion for 57.105, but if you could file a written motion and
You see the judge
just
says right
ignored
there
her.
that she's going to allow his motion for the attorney fees right in front of Gabby. But he's got to write it so it can go in the paperwork.
schedule it for hearing so an amount can be determined.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the amount will be determined.
You could again outline your, the basis.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Exactly,
And can I have an
Parrish,
address to send it to Ms. Jacobson? She's pro se. I have to CC her on it.
Do we have an email with her?
Now, Gabby showed her ass so bad at the end here that the judge.
It's what, not DV court. What is it? Domestic something. It's not domestic violence. That's it. Whoa. Well, hello, Tinky Tot. I can't wait. I can't wait. But you can tell just to her by her responses to things now. She doesn't she really thinks that all she has to do is submit everything beforehand. We have it on recording. We have it on recording. So this is my understanding is I don't know if a motion was made. Well, I think it was. But somehow, I think because she didn't, there's something missing in the middle of that. And I think, from my understanding, find out might have been outside the period to file for the penalty of Gabby not paying it. But I'm not really sure. I do not think that there's anything formally out there that shows her obligation to pay attorney fees. She did not pay them. I go back and forth about the mental capacity. She doesn't listen. I mean, I know she's got comprehension problems, but she also doesn't try. It's just like not being educated. She doesn't try. How many times have people told her that "tooken" is not a word? She doesn't care. She just doesn't care. I don't know. We'll have to, we have tomorrow to get the game plan together, see who's going to be the correspondents on the ground, if anybody has a press pass, what everybody's wearing to court, what we're wearing. We got to learn all those her motions, her dance moves, because she was very, very, very cocky tonight. Very cocky. But find out didn't file them. Yeah, okay. And Mike didn't file it either. Okay. She lucked out on that, I guess. She lucked out on that. Anyway. You can't see because she's black and white. Tinky's up there. Thanks for joining me tonight. It was fun listening to those again, and I got to make a new account. That was my own fault for getting blocked in Gabby's live, but I guess we'll find out what happens with her YouTube tomorrow. See if she goes live on that. She did scream and cry. There's pictures of her outside the courthouse crying, and I don't know if it's Brownie or find out. There was people there in person that said she was uncontrollably sobbing and walked out. So thank you again. Thank you for all the gifts and the good humor